It's not just Jamaica alone going through bullshit. It's all a part where the elite, the global elites, where they're taking us. It's all a part of the agenda. It's all a part of the agenda. You didn't know that?
Oh, so Mark Golan agenda.
No. The globalist agenda. The global.
Yes, and you're saying that the global agenda.
It's all a part of the agenda. Mark Golan. Please, you can't put words in my mouth. You cannot put words in my mouth. And I'm saying you asked about America. You asked about America, and I'm saying to you, it is all a part of where they intend to take the world. It's all about the control mechanism. Oh no, hush! You wouldn't understand. You wouldn't understand. Let me tell you something. You see all of those. No, and I know you'd say that. And I know you'd say that. But listen, sweetheart. No. Was the vaccine a conspiracy?
The vaccine was for the time of
COVID. No damn COVID. The vaccine was the biggest conspiracy. The vaccine was the. Were you vaccinated? Were you vaccinated? Were you vaccinated?
Of course, and nothing to me.
No, that's what you think. Nanoparticles are inside of you.
I was vaccinated from a cover to my mother who was vaccinated.
No, I'm not talking about that. Did you receive the COVID vaccine? No, it's not the same vaccine. I'm sorry, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. Don't you see where the world is going? Why do you think your prime minister wants to digitize our currency? Because they told him that he needs to get it done. What do you mean? Then hold on. If somebody controls your money, if there is no physical money, if there's no physical money in your, you accepted my request to come up. Can I speak? Okay. It's not conspiracy, sweetheart. It's where we're headed for. It's where we're headed to. Okay. No, that means I am a watcher. I'm a watcher, you know. I'm watching what's going on. I am one of the watchers. I am one of the watchers. And I have to be watching and keeping abreast of what's going on. Do you know that there's still a vaccine mandate? Do you know that there's still a vaccine mandate in Jamaica? Do you know there's still a vaccine mandate in Jamaica?
It what?
Do you know that there's still a vaccine mandate in Jamaica?
There was never a vaccine mandate in Jamaica.
Wow. Okay, let me tell you what it is. Can I tell you what it is?
You cannot tell me what it is. That's why I live in Jamaica.
Can I tell you what the mandate is? Munchie, you can't reason like that. Munchie, you can't reason like that, Munchie.
I am afraid of the propaganda and my program.
It's not propaganda, baby girl. It's not. Let me tell you where the mandate is.
There was a vaccine mandate and there was no.
Let me tell you where the mandate is still going on.
There was no mandate in Jamaica. So me cannot allow you. I really want to have a conversation with you. You're a propagandist. And if he's a propagandist, me can't make you talk. No, Zeus, me can't let her talk with a propagandist because she said there's a vaccine mandate in Jamaica. There's no vaccine mandate.
Yeah, man. Take down Asha for a shit like crap. Take her down, man. Wrath.
Ah, Jesus. You don't see how PNP can tell lie? You saw PNP, you can know say be a Fox News Ashra watch. It's so like Ashra never live in Jamaica, be a Fox News she watch. But vaccine mandate. There is no vaccine and there was never a vaccine mandate in Jamaica, Ashra. Stop with the lie and the propaganda. Stop with the lie and the propaganda. Don't tell me about make the big woman talk, Bali. You no propaganda now come on my platform. Go over Andre Stevens with it.
Right.
No propaganda now come on my platform.
Over there, you need to go with it. Over there. Over P. Diddy, you need to go with it.
Go over P. Diddy. There was never a vaccine mandate in Jamaica. Never. It was take it if you want. Take it or leave it if you want. No vaccine mandate, not to lie and wicked. No to lie and wicked and about oh is the world order. Anytime we don't want to come put in back when it's going to tear down the country, we don't come with a story about oh it's where the world is going. Listen how they say, Guru. When they talk about inflation, then now say that's how the world are going on. When they talk about crime, then now say, oh, the America is sending guns to our shores and causing the crime, you know. But when they want every other thing to fit their narrative, they talk about world order, so world ago. Only when it fit their narrative.
Exactly. There was no vaccine mandate in Jamaica. It was corporate Jamaica. It was some companies in corporate Jamaica that had a vaccine mandate for their staff, not the government.
Not the government.
Damn lie.
Who damn lie? You can know say you're PNP. There was no mandate, Dancy. Private sector do their own thing. Public sector do their own thing. The government did not say there was a mandate. Never. Me say I don't know. Oh, they can't listen to conspiracy so. I'll become here tell her say our government in America, Guru, give her $750, give them $750. She go tell me about I saw the world I go now. Which backside world I go? If Andrew wanted to do that, they would have cost. Look at the $20,000 Guru. All them are cost and I go out with themselves. And about can't buy nothing and it can't do nothing.
Some of them can't get it. Some of them can't get it because they not work. They know tax office. Tax office will see them.
Look how them are going. With the $20,000 Guru. And kind of money that can't buy gas. That can't this, that can't that. But yes, they
might criticize. They might criticize the 20,000, the tax rate. They never get them from PNP. All PNP do for the 18 is that they go to Bomba for tax and they go to Yai. They tax pad, they tax party, they tax
You're Lindan. You're idiot Lindan. Member NCB did withdraw the mandate. Lindan, NCB is a private company. Hey, Lindan, with all due respect, uno slow, you know?
Some of them people have vote, you know? They have vote.
Uno slow, you know?
Mirrors.
Uno slow, you know? NCB is a private company. The government of Jamaica under Andrew Michael Holness and Dr. Christopher Tufton did not have a vaccine mandate. You're Dancy. They are just throwing money at the people in a bid to get them to look away from the issue at hand. Send me a request and tell me what is the issue at hand, Dancy. Send me a request, Dancy, and tell me what is the issue at hand. And also, Dancy, did you see the money? Did you see the reward, the grand reward, $30,000 for anybody who can point to the corruption by Andrew Holness in the IC? Oh, Dancy, if you pull him up, I look for him. Where the Dancy? Where the? Dancy, if you pull him up, where the? Comrade. When you see the award, the reward will go out for anybody who can find the corruption by Andrew Holness. In comrades,
yes,
here's a $30,000 giveaway to any comrade.
Who's putting up this $30,000?
You see the offer?
Who put it up?
And see.
No, I haven't seen it, but I'm asking who's putting up that 30 grand?
Hey, one.
Who?
What is it? What is the issue with the people in Nasi? Point me to it, please.
Okay, the issue at hand is the what you call it now. In my opinion, I see it as we're having a leadership crisis in the country. Because
you're not here. We have to repeat.
Oh wait, let me see if I turn up my phone if it works better. Can you hear me?
We have leadership crisis, Munchie.
I think
you Guru?
He said we have leadership crisis, sir.
Yeah,
leadership crisis where?
With the current administration, there's a leadership crisis right there.
This current administration have a leadership crisis. Where? Explain.
Where? The prime minister is compromised.
Compromise how?
According to who?
Well, if you have a guy at the helm.
All right, wait.
Hold on. They allow me to
stop.
Hold on, man. You can't stop me when I talk at Munchie.
No. Before you even waste your time there, so let me answer one simple question. Do you know how the Jamaica Labour Party elect their leader?
If I know how?
Eh?
I have an idea, but I'm not in the halls. I think delegates vote for who they want to lead the party or whatever.
All right. Thank you. Did you hear the delegates of the Jamaica Labour Party calling for a conference or asking to step down?
I am not referring to.
He's talking about the Prime Minister.
What's the leadership of the Prime Minister? Honest. Okay, so you're talking about leadership of the country.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, thank you for saying that now. All right, good. All right, based on the Westminster system we have, how do we choose our Prime Minister?
Well, we go into the poll and we vote for a party, and then the party will put up who they want to be their leader.
The government, the people vote and the majority choose the Prime Minister?
No, the majority don't vote for a Prime Minister. They vote for a party, and the party select who their leader.
No, we don't have for that. May I ask you, how do we choose our Prime Minister? Based on the Westminster, how do we choose our Prime Minister? The person who the Prime Minister in the power. We don't vote already, now we choose the MP. How do we choose who becomes the Prime Minister?
I'm saying the people don't choose the Prime Minister. The party chooses. Then? Okay, this is how the Westminster system works. We vote in a general election, right? And we vote for a party. We don't vote for a person. That's in a presidency. Okay? Yes, so we vote for the party, and then the party choose who their leader is. And
get the majority.
Yes, and then that leader of that party.
All right, thank you. Stop right there. Thank you, stop right there. Based on the party, we have the majority in a parliament. Do you hear the majority party calling for Andrew Owens to step down?
They will not.
So why on earth you come from a platform with your goddamn nonsense attack about leadership?
I am not talking about the party. I'm not talking about I'm talking with regards to the country. He's now the Prime Minister. Hold on.
Yeah, let him finish, Munchie. Why hear him? Make him finish, man. Why hear this?
He is now the Prime Minister of the country. He's not the JLP Prime Minister. He's the Prime Minister for the whole entire country.
Yes.
Okay. And there are some of us who thinks that he is compromised. And we think that's a crisis. You might not see it that way, but we see it that way.
Yes, no damn crisis. Or is that a crisis?
What do you mean?
Because a minority
compromised. Are you guys blind?
Compromise.
He set up a commission. Hold on. He set up a commission of honorable people. He thought they were honorable at that time. Okay? And then these people could not certify the man. All know that's a crisis.
Crisis? Oh, that's not a crisis.
What is it?
How do you explain that? How do you call it a crisis? You know what a crisis is? Do you know what a crisis is?
I know what a crisis is, and this is a crisis because...
Dancy, it's not a crisis because you said so. It's not a crisis because you said so or because you think so.
Why is it not
That's not a crisis.
What is it?
It is not a crisis, Dancy, because the overwhelming majority of the Jamaica Labour Party who voted for Andrew Michael
party, I'm talking about the country.
100% satisfied with his government.
Okay, why would they not allow the opposition leader to table a no confidence vote?
Dancy.
Yes.
Are you just asking me this question? Are you genuinely willing to learn? What are you the oiko?
Well, you can. Yeah, go ahead and let me hear what you have to say. I'm asking.
I know what I have to say are the facts. Dancy, based on the rules of the parliament, if any side with the opposition want to bring, not any side, when the opposition want to table a no confidence motion or bring any bill to the floor, them have to send it to the clerk at the house 2 days before the day of Parliament.
Okay, so when did he submit it?
The same day.
The same day you want to raise a motion.
He came to the Parliament with it in his hand the same day.
Oh yes, well
yes.
I cannot speak to that, but
But they can speak to the crisis too, but they're talking about the crisis. You don't know that. You don't know the process behind the balance process.
No, I'm not talking about the process. I'm talking about him submitting it on the morning. I can't speak to that.
You can go and do your research, because even Mark Gordon admit to it, and he said that, well, I didn't want it to discuss today, can discuss another day. But if you never wanted to discuss another day, you should follow the if you didn't want it to discuss the same day, then why did you stand up in a parliament and try to read it out?
Well, no big. I mean, he can always resubmit it in the proper time frame.
He should follow the proper procedure, Dancy. Not really.
Why the hell the opposition leader want to use the floor of the parliament to create headlines? Tell me about that. Why the hell Mark Gordon wants the floor of the parliament to create headlines? Because a no confidence motion against the Labour Party will not survive. That will not survive.
You guys come. Sometimes I think you guys are just tuning into politics. That is politics. People do it everywhere in every country.
I agree. But I am saying to you, Dancy, Mark Gordon know the rule of the house.
Every politician does that in every country, I'm telling you. You know where it's famous for that? You know where it's famous for that? The UK Parliament, the Canadian Parliament. They're famous at stuff like that.
Dancy, hear this now, right?
Mm-hmm.
When it comes to Mark Gordon and the PNP, you're making excuses for them. When I'm telling you that Mark Gordon should follow the law, you're saying it's politics.
I'm saying if that is the case, he should resubmit it in the proper time frame.
And then you hear earlier the first day come on the platform and say leadership crisis.
It is a crisis.
That is politics as well.
It's absolutely no crisis. There's no crisis. Not because a load minority. It's talking about ISIS and IC and corruption. Doesn't mean there's a crisis.
That is not a crisis.
So you're saying a crisis is too strong a word for me to use. Okay,
I am saying crisis.
There's no crisis whatsoever. You can use another word if you want to, but there's no crisis.
Let me dial it back a little bit.
There's no crisis whatsoever.
Well, I mean, it is to me, it's untenable for him to continue as
Dancy, it's so like you live in Canada.
With this thing swinging over them head.
Dancy.
Munchie,
it's so like you live in Canada.
See you, Munchie.
It's so like you live in Canada. Hear this, Dancy. Hear this, right? The people them will live on the street of Toronto. And a crisis that.
This crisis all the world over. I don't know where you're going now.
In the beach where the Indian have to make video and tell them to stop, embarrass them. And a crisis that.
Yes, but those are all crises.
34 points down in the poll. And a crisis that.
Yeah, those are all crises. But that does not make what is happening in Jamaica not a crisis.
Why Justin Trudeau not call election? Answer that. Because it is due.
What? You're asking me about Justin Trudeau?
You live in Canada, your country, you pay taxi now.
Oh, you know, say me live in Canada.
Me know you live in Canada. Because no comrade in Jamaica now watch Canada Parliament. No comrade not so sensible.
What do you mean?
No comrade in Jamaica don't watch no news more than time come news from Mark Gordon and Dayton. The only comrade who come on my platform and talk about then something there is the one that live in foreign, that like you will live in Canada. So I'm asking you again, the amount of crime and violence where they are Brampton. The Indian them will shit on the beach of Canada. The people them will sleep on the street of Toronto. Justin Trudeau 35 points down in the poll. And a crisis.
You know
why not call election? Answer that.
The same reason why Andrew is not calling the election.
No, you come on my platform and I'm going to transport Andrew Holness that and you're not sure one of the country where you live and pay tax in. And so you run away, comrades still. So you have to tear one apart.
You see, you know. Yeah, you know what you're engaging in? You're engaging in, don't look over here, look over there.
No, it's hypocrite, Dancy. Hypocrite.
We're trying to... We're talking about
crisis. Where the crisis is? Which part of the crisis is?
Look at the condition of Canada. So, look, Canada not perfect. Canada not perfect.
No, we're not perfect. I'm talking about...
You're not tear down Justin Trudeau. Every chance you don't get to tear down Andrew Holness.
Me, tear
Yes, you. Go on the platform. Oh, leadership crisis.
It's untenable.
There is a leadership crisis. You have to admit it. It might not sound good.
Admit what? There's no crisis. There's no crisis. We are talking about.
Yeah.
There's no crisis, and not because I load minority.
So you guys are saying to me,
I see this.
you see the function of what you're doing all the while. Are
There's
you
no
guys
crisis.
you guys on the right always try to say, okay, talk about the good things. So to me, you're saying it doesn't matter what the man does, right? As long as he's doing these good things, it's okay.
But I can say the same thing about you, Dancy, because there's so much, because from your reasoning, we're supposed to highlight the bad things. What bad things? The first question I want to ask you, what bad things? And the second question is, what you don't think the government has done anything good? No good has been done? Because all you're highlighting is crisis and untenable. But no, there's no crisis.
The man, okay. There's no government that is completely bad or completely good. Okay? That's a fact.
Won't you add petal? She don't in the comments. Add petal.
But what I'm saying is, you not because. All right, look, make we use an example here. You know how you have those dons who run like Tivoli and here and there and everywhere. You know much people them man there unalive and oppress and make them life miserable every day. But guess what? The vast majority of the people in the community see them as their protectors and them put on back to school treats and them do all these things. So are we supposed to overlook all those ills that they do just because they do some good things?
Okay, apparently you're comparing this administration and to all this administration.
That's just an example.
What bad did the man do? What crime did he commit? Please tell us.
Well, there's no crime announced yet, but it's looking a little shaky. It's looking very shaky.
There's no crime, there's no illicit enrichment. So why you come here talk about untenable?
HR, beg a piece of that Bridget.
One.
Big man. He's a typical he's a typical PNP propagandist. That's what you are.
Why are you putting that label on me now?
Because that's what you are.
Yes, hold on a big man, hold on a HR, they all well at time. We deal with the man. Yeah, man, this is what the narrative what I put out there for talk about the country and the crisis and leadership crisis. The PNP propaganda with the one put out there to make PNP. Because that's how it's over all the same history of PNP. They do it with Bob Stamantin, they do it with the name there, with Edward Siaga, and I try to do it with Andrew all long now.
So why don't feel like
don't have any chance to win the election. So don't compare with the idiot argument. I come talk about leadership crisis. Like you tell people idiot up yourself. Come on for this man. That me I tell you. The PNP self.
You're not making any sense.
What you mean not making sense? And that's you though.
You're not making any sense.
You come up here about crisis. Because leadership crisis.
Alright.
I don't know one now undecided people for believe and the narrative don't want to put out there.
Right, that's what they want to believe.
Me just put forward
come off of this.
Me just put forward that thing.
You go nothing boy and people get their conspiracy. I want other people think that we like uno think. They're gonna take Jamaican people idiot boy, but leadership crisis.
You and you up yourself and that doesn't make no sense.
Well, not make no sense. Come on for this one, won't make no sense.
And you up yourself, man. Easier to
suck yourself and come on for this.
Easier to yourself, coaching.
Thomas, well, Mansour get attacked half time. Mansour.
Okay.
I like that the intelligent people who no resort to them kind of foolishness the way you are.
Your intelligence voice like it people
you make yourself look dumb, brother.
Yeah, but dumb what? Are you why you want to people idiot on this?
No, HR is about
which one of Jamaican leadership crisis? All the PNP want to put all a narrative there. All the PNP and you and your PNP friend them want to put all a narrative about leadership crisis in which country? That not Jamaica, go ahead.
Yeah,
but narrative, you know can't get to know where I want to come like no style, come like no idiot.
You're talking like,
all right, Mansour, have a question. Mansour, have a question.
Yeah. Wow,
I don't really have a question for Dancy. I just can't really understand how anything he says is substantial or has any fundamental basis in truth. I mean, he came on the platform falsified
Monsieur,
information to start with. Hold up. Number one, you didn't have an actual understanding of the proceedings with respect to the House of Parliament, with respect to Mark Golding wanting to bring up the thing on the same day. You never
I didn't ever understand. I
And
didn't
two,
know.
you're trying to say that the country is currently having a leadership crisis, but you're unable to substantiate it in any way. So then, when everybody else is saying no, that you're spreading propaganda, what's your response to this?
I have substantiated it.
No, Dancy, you haven't. Let me tell you why. That is why. You see, Dancy, you said you didn't know the parliamentary procedure. But
no, I never said that.
That's the thing with you PNP supporters.
No, but Dancy,
you understand the full matter, you understand the full story, but not run with propaganda and lie. You know, and you saw that the government shut down the no confidence vote, but they didn't see that the motion wasn't properly laid on the parliament. We don't have the full information or the facts, but we not run with lie and propaganda. That's our problem. We don't have the full story.
Directly that.
The question I asked was, why did they not allow the no confidence vote to be tabled?
Because the man broke the law, brother. The man broke the constitution and the parliament.
It's not a law, it's a rule. It's a rule, not a law.
To answer Dancy's question, the deputy speaker shut down the motion because it violates the sub judice rule, right?
No.
Yeah, because
that's
them say it's under. I mean, all of that. Them say it's under judicial review, therefore we cannot speak about it. Yada yada yada.
We never have the full story.
What was the point of asking the questions?
Look here, brother, more and talk to you.
But what I say is,
nice guy with a brother, you know. I'm gonna come nice guy with a boy, you know. A PNP boy, you know.
Thomas, all on the man.
Listen this, no one said this here, you know. Me I beg you not attack.
Hey, go suck your mother. That me I tell you, come style on this platty boy. How you come try style?
You want to talk, you know. Shower labor right.
Alright, give my touch chance.
Shower labor right.
Hold on, Mansour not even finished.
Me nah, hold on, just make me let go this.
I'll reserve my objective comments for later.
Shower labor right.
Mansour is an intelligent young man. And now no time for where this fella.
Shower labor right.
Go ahead, Mato.
Let me tell you this, man. PNP no have no moral standard in our history, in our outer history. PNP days done. Me never see no labor right government run this country and make business people, company run out a job. And when the people them I go up in their offices, the PNP is no good. And then if you sit down in a house of representative, the people them blind, they don't see how labor right transform the government. Transfer Jamaica and I grow the country and I vex trying to them, and then get the country if they bankrupt the country. The people them wicked, so tell the people them look pan red and I see a blue and look pan yellow and I see a green. Why people them wicked and why people them bad mind? Look how labor right grow the economy. PNP cannot run no country because they can't grow the economy. And they shame people. And what we are talking about, you know, and we are talking about what them do. We are, look here, history reveal. Statistics show. How can you grade a man for what he no do? With children, you see a go to school, and they no pass nothing. They no pass no 16 or nothing, and then get subject. Who you see I do that? Who no see I do that?
All right, let him respond, Mato.
Okay. So, like I said earlier, you know, we don't have any administration that is totally good or totally bad. Okay, that's a fact. So I'm asking everybody on this panel right now the same question. Okay, all the things that you're saying, all the accomplishments and all of these things, does that mean we should look away or overlook these missteps that this guy has made?
Who?
What are those missteps? Please enlighten us, please.
Which guy? Hold on. Which guy?
The Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister is not a guy. Brother, the Prime Minister is not a guy. I just say Prime Minister. I just say Prime Minister.
Don't call the Prime Minister no guy. Don't do it.
How we are doing, brother?
Don't do that. God is my right. You come on my platform.
Hold on.
If you can't identify my rightful name, come on my platform.
Yes.
Don't do that again.
Yeah, mad somebody, brother. Which guy?
Dancy,
You fucking crazy boy.
Two questions. Basically, one
You
and
guys sound like a pack of rabbit dogs.
Dancy, did you read the Integrity Commission's report?
No, we're not talking about the report right now.
No, I am asking you.
Yeah.
Did you read the Integrity Commission's report and
Not
do you know
even
the
about the
conclusion
Saudi
of the
man.
report?
I'm familiar with parts of it, but I haven't read all 170.
All right, so you haven't read the report, Dancy, but I want to ask you, the salient question is, what missteps did the Prime Minister take?
Well, in a nutshell, according to this integrity,
According to, we don't want to hear according to more for you. When you want to say a fact, you want to come out of your mouth, brother. And people are listening to you. People are listening to you. Someone want to say facts out of your mouth. I don't want you to say according
You
to.
just said that you have not read the IC report.
Yes, I'm trying to answer.
You just said they don't read the IC report. So how then they going to quote it and then substantiate the answer from that?
If not read it,
make any sense?
if not read it, if not read it.
Answer yet, brother. Give me a chance.
Answer the question, Dancy.
I am saying,
what missteps?
So, every time I open my mouth and I try to jump down my throat. Let me
Go
tell
ahead.
No, because you start to say foolishness.
Wait the matter. Allow him to finish. Go ahead. I want to hear
Okay,
this.
I'm saying the rules that was set up by the same gentleman, okay, with this integrity commission, they merged a few things and they come up with this new commission. He chose all the people that are going to serve on the commission, okay, and then the rules are we're supposed to certify these people.
You don't want to get upset.
No, you should
You delete him, Munchie.
Munchie, you should have deleted
I
him
don't want to
because
get
where am I
upset.
try say now?
Thank you, Munchie. Thank you.
I'm more ask him one question, you know, because from morning me I listen them attack the narrative and the stupidness, you know. Like them want to say Andrew Holness choose the IC commission and at the same IC commission turn against him and all manner of evil. And that him I try say, you know.
Me know. That's why me know about me.
Yeah, but just to show you
try say, you know.
just to show you how political of a hack Dancy is. The man, he can't even call Andrew Wallace's name. He can't even say Prime
Exactly.
Minister Wallace. He can't even say it.
Exactly.
Yo, they are talking about they need to freeze Andrew assets and them need for this and them narrative that them are pushing up.
But Munchie, what I find very disappointing is that I've been watching your platform for some time now, and there has not been one comrade who I think has come up here with some sensible, substantial information.
You're correct, Monsieur. You're correct. That's always the case. That's always the case.
I find it very disappointing that every single one of them I've heard, like nothing makes sense. Everything is factless. Like it's just opinions, it's just propaganda, and what's the entire point of them platform? I don't understand.
And this is what I wanna which part of the world is not going digital currency?
You hear the one they plan? You hear the girl that wanna go Ashra?
Me the one come and go address her. Because where in the world is not going digital currency?
Me don't know how Ashra fool so.
Everywhere in the world is going digital currency. And they're just stupid.
But if you pass, Plank, if you pass on a typical day, and you pass a PNP live, you pass just stop and listen. Just stop and listen. You hear the verbal diarrhea when they're over there chat.
Be a foolishness, brother.
Pure fuckery, pure foolishness.
Be a foolishness.
Them black me, though.
And a pure confusion, you know? Pure confusion among them.
Hey, brother, me just want to say this to Uno right now on a panel here. Right now, more to say this on a panel here to each and every one of Uno. I mean, no business, nobody in Jamaica want to hear this. Let me say this to Uno. You know, say Jamaican people wicked, brother. When me look and me see Omar Davis and in come along them, and under PNP administration, look, some of the company them so in Jamaica, the news say some of them over 100 year old, where PNP government bankruptcy people them. So my people them $40 million house of sell for $3 million. And cause business people for run out a job and cause whole heap of Jamaican for no hand on job. That means a Jamaican I go backward. And look at Andrew Honis administration. We no bear them the record there. And people still in the gutter have problem.
Not that long ago.
Jesus Christ. Boy, I tell the people them good.
Me want to dance. That when me say something a while ago about down at Tivoli Garden, the Dan and a lot of people. Me come from West Kingston, bro, and that never see in company program something we don't understand. He left all the way, PNP and Martin Garrison left all the way and said Tivoli Garden, Dan and a lot of people.
They know PNP be most garrison in a Jamaica, brother.
He jump up, me want to ask him the question, because me come from down there, me don't know what I talk about. We don't talk about Pamela jungle. And then we talk about.
Yeah, Dancy now don't add to the panel. Dancy is PNP cultured.
The most gruff in a Jamaica,
I don't think it's the first time you come from MunchieB.
The most gruff in a Jamaica is a PNP because not tell me say from one time PNP around the country from so long. And they no fix up the road them, they no do nothing to hospital, they no do nothing to police station, they no give and civil servants no raise. Then come back around again. They no raise no food stamp. They no raise nothing for the pension them. And look how labor right transform this country and grow this country. Boy, me I tell you say, yo, the best thing ever come by the scene, a labor right government.
Change the narrative by saying,
they can chat to we.
Put the IC together and choose the people. Where them know not no go so. First of all, the IC, your mark, if you know, me have make better look for the video. Mark Golden said clearly that he was the one that is the architect of the IC Act. Only one because something changing, so the JLP the tweet and then they support and it pass. That's first thing. Secondly, according to the Integrity Commission Act, anybody with Andrew Holness that chose is upon recommendation between him and the opposition. That's why I was saying last week, Plank say, when Justice Anton contract up next year, PNP are going to push him back power and force the government to keep him. And if that is the case, we just dash with the Integrity Commission altogether because we not renew back in contract.
CM so.
Both sides have to agree. Civil society group, opposition, and the government. It's upon recommendation. Only thing me blame the Prime Minister for Plank is when they send them PNP people, they should have put their foot down. Because PNP can't change. But you Andrew is such a good man. And they must say, no man, and people they are going to put.
You don't know what PNP
is. Greg Christie and Justice Panton.
Exactly.
There is nobody.
Because they were going to put the country first matter. That's why he agreed to it.
The country first,
if you didn't know what PNP for
right?
If Andrew Holness did ever know that Justice Panton would not put the country first, he would not have agreed. Both sides, Dancy, both sides have to agree.
Justice Panton and Greg Christie, them is no good to Jamaica.
And the main one always bring the recommendation, and then the Mark Golden and him talk it over, and then them two of them agree, and he recommend him select the person with the Governor General. I saw it go.
Yeah,
is that Andrew Holness
right, so
take up people by himself and not talk to nobody?
It's the Public Service Commission that actually appointed them.
No, understand something, you know. You see when Mark Golden know the rule of the house, you know. Mark Golden wants to break the rule of the house, and when he not get for him way out in walk out of the house and go outside and go to a glen and go to this and go to that in favor of dog shit. Who you think him be? No delegate supposed to choose leader.
That's what you want to do. The no confidence motion that you wanted to table in the house. It's a headline you want to create because there's absolutely no way you can bring a no confidence motion in the house when the government have a 49 member to 15. That won't pass. 49 to 14, thank you. That a motion like that cannot pass.
48 plus 1.
Mark Golden just come in the House of Parliament, want to do as he have a like walk out, walk in, everything where he say, yo brother, that's really not know.
Like that,
that's a new talking point.
One leader can the parliament give it the roadside, brother. That don't look good. Don't make no sense. can't have a leader take the business out of the parliament and can go on the website.
Even the part where Dian Jackson Miller tweet and say, oh, Andrew want to strike down rule when him see one pass. How much liar come out and say it's not strike down no rule, it's review. That no strike down can't rule can't go on unless him carry the government to court. But you see that same big mouth Dian Jackson Miller there?
She do a lot of apologize, man. She have to do a lot of apologize. You know, see, you know, see the amount of apologize.
Dian, our arranger show.
True, man.
Yeah.
True.
Every day she come out with her propaganda on YouTube.
She called them and them take talking points on her, you know. Anything what she say, you hear them with it.
Everything.
And so they talk, dancing have no sense. You know what, when Guru asked Dancy the question, Dancy at first thing, Monsieur asked the Guru, Dancy, did you read Integrity come? No, that none of you do. And Monsieur asked him again, did you read the report? No. But his question, when he come back now to talk, everything where man assume and allude to is from the Integrity Commission report when did not read.
Now where you from over 100 man.
Did not read.
Headline, Headline, because Dancy is not the first time you come on the platform, and he has never, with the plan, he has never given a good account of himself. Never. When we lick him with the question, he cannot give a good answer. Can't.
That's why I'm coming rushing my brother.
Every PNP
none of time waste with him.
I want to best in MunchieB. I want to best in MunchieB. Delete him.
I can go and talk about intelligent. I don't have time for me not tolerant to
best thing MunchieB do, man. The best thing MunchieB do. Delete. Me say, girlie, you deserve $1 million right now. Delete him. You deserve $1 million for what you do.
Because once you ask him the question, did you read the report? No.
Yeah, Munchie, as I said, I am I'm just like immensely disappointed. I just want to reach a day where I have a good conversation with a knowledgeable comrade, and I don't know if I'll ever get to experience that.
Well, brother, let me say something, Bridget. It's a PNP, you don't understand PNP now. Well, you never understand PNP now, big man. It's the friend them say PNP. And whatever them have them ulterior motive and them have them propaganda for speak part of the main thing that in a
PNP is a handout party in a Jamaica, brother. PNP.
We finish now, brother. Hold on, we know that already, brother. We know that handout. We're not talking about the handout party. We talk about the doctrine where them come to deal with them propaganda. Apart from the handout, yet that's also just to catch normal Jamaican people.
Yeah.
Little Jamaican people. We're not talking about that, brother. We are talking about the PNP come preach them dirty doctrine, them propaganda style. You say for them a PNP, no matter what you tell them, say, they're going to come with the same thing. You can't always put up on blackboard, my brother.
That is true.
Him not intelligent than me. But you see me, I'm not tolerant with PNP. So no matter how I'm going to chat about where I come from, I can go like him intelligent and I can go like him nice.
Since that we met about $20 million investment by Proven over Bahamas. You know, so they come with them in a chat and say a line here tell. And hear some of them now. That is business, Munchie. You hear that?
But Munchie, you know what I get vexed? You are going to talk about leadership crisis. Leadership crisis. What crisis? What kind of crisis?
What kind of crisis?
I'm getting all vexed, you know. Eh? What kind of crisis? You look at the narrative where the PNP them have. I try to make for normal Jamaican think that the narrative don't want to put out about crisis. When we come about crisis.
Yeah, that. We bring on the FinSac people and the people come and sit down and open up their life story and talk what happened to them. And they were on a live today saying that we pay people for come make up lie and talk to them. This FinSac.
Yeah.
So what you want?
Yeah, man, me know so them would have said that. Me know them would have said that.
That's what them say about the PNP as want to flip the script. Think what that they are doing and them guilty of them trying to flip the script for the Labour Party for ever since.
Yeah.
Anything what them are do, them try to flip the script for ever since. It's PNP that.
When the woman
I give them guilty of that.
The woman of the paper up in her hand and I read off and the liar letter head and sitting and they say people will make up and pay for come tell lie.
I don't them, man. I don't them.
Petal, we say a while ago that I with them guilty of. And then say we and them are the same thing.
Yes.
We don't like it. You see me? So not pay them no mind, man. Anything them do and flip the script all the way upon labor, right?
Yeah, but that's good because when Dempsey talk about there's a leadership crisis, he wants you to believe as if the country is up in arms against the government. When that's not the case, that would be a crisis. When I reach this out, when I have that contending with.
There's a leadership crisis in the party. Look,
ladies and gentlemen,
there 3 party in a one, and they say dance if you go look. 3 party in a one, in a PNP, they say if you go look. That's a crisis over there, sir. That's a crisis.
Gentlemen, if you guys have not yet done it, I would encourage you to read the Prime Minister's petition to the court in detail and see these clauses and sub-clauses, because there are several possible ways that the IC acted very unconstitutionally in their assessment and their provisions with respect to.
Yeah, I know that Camilla does some reading, Panny.
I was reading it in detail, and there are some things that I even miss personally with respect to their mandate. But they acted out of protocol in several different regards, and I think it's important that we all are on the same page with respect to the Prime Minister and his petition to the court.
Yeah, which one you find it, Mansour?
Hold up.
You don't see it better.
Send it to me.
You see it, but I don't read it. Me have it.
Mansour, if you can inbox me, send it to me. Let me read it.
Me did hear it pan Cliff when Cliff I read it out all when like him just say section this, that, you know, because apparently somebody must supposed to report the person for then go on the investigation for illicit.
Yeah, nobody report nothing.
And nobody never them sit there and someone sent me that year.
Yeah, the Prime Minister case is very strong. That's why Dian Jackson and the PNP are trying to change the narrative, but Prime Minister try to strike and rule. Not no go so. That's why sometimes when the PNP come here,
yeah, Jacksonville have to go.
Dancing tonight.
I don't even want style or still, you know. So, woman have to go in one. You see me? They have to go with them PNP dirty self, you know. They have to go. That's why nobody now watch TV, and all that. That's why they lose money. They lose viewership. Nobody lose viewership. Nobody now look upon them over there. They're not a credibility. You see me? You see, I see them germs like the PNP.
You know what Jamaican people get to find out?
Hold on, let me just say this. You know, say when the rising star are going to bring a cartel upon to make get viewership.
Yes.
If you show all low them is them, this as bad as the same PNP people. Them are germs. The same night, the conference, the same night they bring it upon rising star.
Yeah, see what go on, man.
Yeah, shit them. You see them, anybody? They're not no viewers over there. Nobody not look upon them. They might lose money like dog. Boy. Bleed on the whole of them and lose money, nobody not look upon them. People find them out long time.
I think I put on there to ask. I mean, I didn't even know and go over there, because show me now watch them. And I didn't even know saying go over there.
You see me? They might lose like dog, they might not look upon them, that's why they don't have for them.
People, them, man. That them believe that every time they
nobody not give no commercial like one time, nobody not do no business with them like one time, nobody not view them.
Exactly.
Yes, man. Because even RG group, they want every little station they want to buy it out. For example, this is the main purpose. So they want to spread the propaganda, PP propaganda. They want to politics for the business, for the mainstream media. That them do, you know. They want to politics for the mainstream media, buy it out. Buy every little radio station, come on, they want to buy it out.
Yes. And the PNP swore themselves. The PNP swore themselves in every crevice and corner, so that means to say then just did a guilty narrative, and now the Jamaica Labour Right Party no props for where they go on with in other country.
Anybody look on TVJ news, I want to they can do better. I'm gonna tell you that. Anybody want TVJ just show them can do better. And then not cable them yard or something.
Or whatever. Every department.
Yes,
see me?
Everywhere they swear themselves right through.
No, that's what the woman said at the 18 years, that's what the woman said. So, I saw what you want name. Yes, Mr. Nathan.
If Mr. Warrington make a speak on a tour place yesterday, and the tire play for green and fly out this morning, pick and fast, say the man walk and spread fast news. And I know, see the part news where Mr. Warrington said, you know, Mr. Warrington say that the most green and out members of the national party.
Mr. Warrington said he stand with the Prime Minister.
No, man, it's a clean and the whole of PNP dreams on this too, and PNP people have done that too. We'll let them for go them over agenda. That is all is all about this shit.
And Gleaner fly out this morning, say must spread false news and I attack them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
We'll let them PNP look at that, man. PNP they be up don't Gleaner them for go. PNP look at that.
Don't Stevie Wonder
Politics.
said the RJR media is campaigning for PNP. No matter what it things of one of the country, it now make the front page news. Only be a garbage and ridiculous and stupid.
Because we don't know them plan. Jamaica Labour Right Party set up a system that people for work for their money. Under the PNP administration, they don't want to work for nothing. They don't want to work for nothing.
The Prime Minister shining in India. We don't see it in front of the Gleaner? No.
No. Jamaica Labour Right Party
who make Jamaican things who make that free mentality? Who cause all of that? Who put that in Jamaican DNA? Who put that free mentality?
That's from Manley.
Yeah, right. Michael Manley, the worst thing about to Jamaica, it shall never exist.
True, man. Give out free money. I'm then take it by bike and ride.
The worst thing about that man shall never exist. Who are vex. The worst thing about to Jamaica.
No, I'm not go back till must be Thursday.
Oh, God.
The Gleaner, Prime Minister Holness visit. You see, Gleaner put out in an editorial saying nothing of significance came out of the visit. When what they write editorial in a them paper that about nothing of significance came from the visit. Yes, we know, man. But just to show you how the Gleaner steer, how them political and steer.
Yes.
Good boy, man. Now we
can't rely on the Gleaner if you're not credible news again.
I don't want one for buy. Not even look me now look on Gleaner.
If you take Gleaner now white glass, that's what to do with Gleaner now, white glass.
Nobody now buy Gleaner again.
You know what the Gleaner is?
Neither.
You know what Gleaner is doing at this service to the country. Remember, all of the things that happened in the 1970s, we can go to the archive and we can go get them from the Gleaner. What about the generation that come up with want to know what happened between 20 and 24? What am I going to get the history from Guru? Because Gleaner make it look like, say, between 20 and 24 is the worst period of Jamaica, like it's a dark days. What going to happen to the country? Because Gleaner is not recording nothing. And people normally rely upon the Gleaner for reference and people read the Gleaner for one back. And Gleaner is the #1 paper in the Jamaica. They're doing a disservice to the country, you know. All because of
#1 way. Once upon a time you talk about a story you talk Munchie, once upon a time. Who's your #1 way?
Gleaner the only paper who archive them thing and put up good and safe if you want.
Yes, what me I say. The man are #1 now. That are once upon a time they are not #1 now. For who? Man are #1 now. No, we know that they have the archives, but all of them are with the archives right now. They can't change that. They can't change that now. The same archives are going to make them look like a fool right now too. If you drop something from the archive without the Gleaner from ever since I'm back.
Yes, because they used to work good. They used to work good.
Like
I know they
the
get
same
corrupt. They're not
archives
good
are
anymore.
idiot right now. Idiot, they don't know. So they are #1 now. Them of the archives will agree with that. They are almost 200 years old.
But they are doing a disservice to the
90 years old.
Yes, I will need to demonstrate for the Gleaner.
They service to the country.
Yes, that's what I'm going to have #1 now.
Remember,
in the past, might be.
Remember, no matter when children get homework and get research and them do debate.
They used to go to the Gleaner.
Go back in a history to reference.
Yes.
There's been nothing in the history to go back to for reference from the Gleaner.
Exactly.
No,
right now.
Since
National Party.
Munchie, since
2020.
We'll put the tape. Let's say from 2016, give it from 2016 come back. For win coming back.
No man, they get worse when Mark Golden way get it something.
That's what we say from about 2016, them start getting worse. And then 2020.
Yeah, they worse now. But
yes,
when
worse
Andrew wants win the election next year, We're going to see what them are going to do when Andrew Wellness win next year. We're going to see what them are going to do.
That's the main thing. I don't want them want people to come out of pocket. They don't want to get the third term and the fourth term and the fifth term.
You think so then Leah for yet?
They don't want open road for turn in a museum.
Yet probably when Leah
for fight, you know. Munchie, they don't want PNP headquarters turn in a museum. That's what they fight. And that's the reach
no, the old lady of North Street as well will be turned into a museum.
Yes, all of them. Yes. They don't want to get redundant. Yeah, man, they don't want to be redundant. Yeah, man, you know, I got to reach them I run from. They want to reach us, people say. When people mention PNP name, people are going to say, what name so again? And they don't want to reach them.
Yes, that's going to happen.
You know what about them matter? Because the government run every program through JIS and PBCJ.
Oh,
every
Lord,
commercial,
I love that,
every government
man.
commercial.
I love that.
They will get more money, but not much. That is why they want back PNP in a government, so they can get government money for spending on the station.
Yes.
We're done.
Yes. Jamaica Information Service a hit.
Mark Golden, especially Mark Golden, them and wanting them. Them are watching NIR, look at PNP, look at firms there. And that them behind the pan.
Yeah.
Yes, when they see money, them talk idiot.
Yeah, man. When we win the third term, Chromas, every government business, every government program is going to be on JIS and PBCJ. Free of cost. People can go over there, go read and go watch commercial. No commercial now go to TVJ, see Manglina.
I'm going to do a blog for that. I'm going to do a blog for that. I'm going to do a blog for that.
So our whole station, we don't know, rolling up, not with them, brother. JIS have promote the one thing.
Yes.
Not with them. Not with them, Chromas.
But I'm not a rich TV channel, nobody not doing business with them again. Some lose viewership.
But even now, Chromas, nobody not doing business with them. Even now.
True, man.
No business at all.
When they invite upon them program and the same woman we are talking about that. And then she invite them for boycott and go.
Nobody not go and thank you. When they invite people from the government to go to the media, they must tell us them busy and they have other engagement.
I know say all while when she try to fit on the labor right them. Notice that she have a program and she have a guest, she have a PNP guest and a labor right guest. She want to pin down the labor right. And after I say, a couple of times when we say no go on our program, she look like she an idiot, Nigel Clark, you know. She want to tell me like Nigel Clark go on our program. And Nigel Clark have that make she look like she an idiot, because she want to try to pin down and one that big and smart.
Yeah, man.
She have a little liar brain, she feels she can try to stick up people.
Yes, Mark and Dayton alone stay over there.
Yeah, man, enough time is when they make you look like she an idiot, man. How tough that makes you look like she an idiot too. Enough time.
Of course.
I know so out of the whole of the politician, I don't know if you know this. Out of the whole of the labor politician, you know some Christopher Tuff are the only politician that talk and stutter. You know that? If I don't take this that man or that man talk, you don't talk and stutter.
That's
Christopher Tuff time.
Like a shit where they are Chromas with the integrity report. Showing going in like a shit that you have to run, come apologize.
Yeah, of course.
True, about three times Dean Jackson will have to come apologize. I see every one of them.
For go, man. And she was on our program. The same girl from NIA and the one from winning the Jamaica for Justice, the PNP, them. I pay them the full fair program every time. And them still to that people. PNP them comes up for our program. And she know the better than foolishness. Yes,
no, they all created one. Daniel, when she down there beat her chest bump. If I'm a prime minister, is this and that and whatever.
She empty barrel. All the night she makes sure not look on her.
So we go ahead. One of them man PNP germs or one of them.
Hey, then crab it doing like when you look and you see the media outlet there towards the JLP. The people them where you think so that just come out and try to be fair and balanced. There's something them right now. Look at now, the Prime Minister go in there, the name Speaker of Jamaica, they officially open them High Commission there, And then at the first bilateral meeting between a Jamaican and an Indian Prime Minister. And with all of that, the green for the editorial was saying basically nothing no come out, no come out
Yeah. Anyway, we never know. The president back in the island, the Prime Minister.
Then you know.
Yeah, man, but the Prime Minister at the funeral, Chromas.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You want the Prime Minister there, here, man?
Yeah, we just say, yeah, really. Not the germs, fake price that everything foolishness. So, you know, I so gotta show them up, you know, everything.
I never know that's a PNP. I never know that's a PNP bad mind and wicked and tan, but God know me never know. If people them see truth and yummy.
Jamaica.
I understand what matter. If I understand how PNP is a cult, them indoctrinated, brother.
Yes.
I have cockroach to the leadership. I like Mark Gold and Dream White. I just stream my PNP and then put him up there. If I put one cockroach up there and say my leader, then vote for him the same way.
Exactly, brother.
I
understand that.
I don't like him, Chromas. If a dog in a orange, they work with him.
Yeah, I love Mark Golden. I true people that carry shame and understand that. That's why I say I go on Mark Golden car. When them do, I don't see I talk about black man time now, and them I know a white man at the end of the party. They say they're not drunk, then you won't vomit. Eh? Think when they campaign for a black man time now and in the name of politics.
They can't do Andrew that. They cannot do Andrew that.
No, what I say, then Tom can eat them vomit because I will then cost and turn against and chat and turn back and pick you up back. You see me? Because I used to cook because it was say my white man.
No, it's not the old time politics, brother. Everybody see where Prime Minister do, brother, and that swing and that swing.
No, what I say old time politics. What I say now, Mr. Point, what I'm saying.
No, man, I understand what you say, man. I mean, I say that to you, man. I understand what you say clear, man. You get you, man.
You understand? They eat them at their own fabric.
Me know,
they
man.
They are dog shit. They are not but they are not named standard and nothing.
No credibility, man. They don't have no moral, man.
That's what I tell you, say. I was telling you, say. Now I was telling you, say. They expect anything from PNP, anything a PNP do not surprise me. Sometimes you some labor that type, why them doing that like you expect good from PNP? Good can't come from devil.
True.
Them are Satan, nothing good can't come from Satan.
True.
But I put it up.
True,
I expect nothing good from them.
Alright, this heard there, brother. Reality attack. Reality and reality are truth. A true attack.
A dog in an orange shirt, Chromas.
True.
Them are what? But dog in a orange shirt, they're no business.
They don't want man. You get at the part of the history. Campaign said, the man at LOC and captain for black man time, no all kind of something. I know you have a white man at the head of your party. Where I tell you, say,
I don't know how we talk about it.
Yeah.
I will talk about it, I talk about, Mark Golden was born in Jamaica and racist and this and that and this and that.
They can show him birth certificate there now. Who has a birth certificate?
Roman.
Yeah, my boss.
You have one when name you Blair. You have one when name you Blair and lick you today, you know. Lick your wicked, you know. I say,
I'm running with you.
Him say, from the year you call Mark Golden drunk crow. He's done with you.
Mark Golden a drunk crow, man.
And me deal with you.
He can't done with me because I made him never know nothing in the first place. I don't know a friend.
Yeah, man.
Me don't know him personally, so he never done with me like me know him as a brethren and me have a friendship. Me have a friend.
The program push narratives to people.
The boy when I put up a picture too. The batty boy when he in the cash and push up a picture too.
Overcast near them at talk, man.
Yeah, man, them have me over them a picture. Them boy, be sure them a batty man. Them always put up man picture. You see me? Then I put up a nice woman picture. Pay man, then put up man. You ever see me put up people picture yet? You never go up PAP live. If you go, man. You see me? Yeah. Man, I'm a dog shit, man. Oh, you mean you, me and man not friend. Me don't know them from nowhere. Or whatever. So me and the boy man come talk about him done with me like me and him in the
truth I kill them, man. They can't handle truth.
Go, man. I try to rush them. I try to rush them, man. I'm not play with them. I'm not tolerance dirty PNP now.
Right out of order.
Get out with labor right them and decide the people them are them for work, man, brother. And the middle class people have come vote this next election.
Them give fake news for the people them must start Black Road and burn down the market. Who you think it affect? Them same money to affect. You burn down a market. Who it affect? No, you and your friend them in the community to affect. Them block your road, mash up the road, burn up the road. Who it affect? you and your kids them we have to travel for the same gravel. Them not no sense.
Senseless people.
Yeah, I say I like a plan, but Mr. Mark go na drug. I never remember me they will say that. But right now, me no business. If me visit that, I'm a liar. I tell lie on you too, you know. That's a PNP stay, you know. But if my drunk for you, I mean, I said no. If me never said before, I said no. My drunk, my liar, my wicked. So who are the bex?
Them tell them like the way where Mark Golding at carry the country. Mark Golding never be a prime minister. So which part of him carry the country? He carry down the country.
I want to bring back another same.
But you want power.
The dirty politics
hungry
and the
for power. Me say dirty boy hungry for power. Dirty boy hungry for power. The dirty boy hungry for power.
Look at this. As much.
Any mean necessary.
The boy hungry for power. The boy with a killer baby. The boy with a killer baby. The boy with a killer woman. The boy that do anything for power. The boy want power so much so tell the boy want bring down somebody and trample somebody.
You remember the king in the Bible, the Israel king when he Herald?
Herod.
Yeah man, I'm not holding that.
Oh my God, I can't give him that new name there.
I need for that chat me say today.
Eh?
We can't and put that about me.
Them a name them a call them man, Yam Petal.
A new name for Mark Gold in a Herod.
I Yam Petal them a lick and Chromas. Why I don't know where you do them, you know?
So me read.
So what them say about me directly though?
Oh, me not tell you what them say. I want you play a talk call your name, you know. Chromas.
Yeah.
Them black me man.
Yeah man, call the batty boy cash and my batty man I love man put up man picture. So the man have to pick over there. But me not busy with them.
Them black me proud over them man.
And Dujan, Chromas and Dujan, you know, Chromas tell him to go do whatever not to his mother. And them say that hurt them and then now that Dujan said that if you do whatever to his mother and then Chromas call him fish. So that hurt them.
Yeah, but the batty boy them man. J Brand and my boyfriend, caution. So keep mother man, be play.
I don't know what them.
Oh, you do that? Petal, me know what me do them, but what you do there?
No, because Petal always I give the facts.
Read.
Yeah, I give the facts. You see only one Petal she.
Like no labor right man. I see the strong labor right there will look out them not like them.
Yes.
They're not like good in eye, they're not like anybody with
labor right deal with facts, brother. Labor right
deal with a backbone, they can't stand me. Yeah man.
Yo,
make it burn them and make it hot them.
Bro, me say some of the people that will come up and talk on them program. Them don't even can pronounce a proper word. For sure, so them people that just listen to narrative. Them don't know facts, you know. Them just come up and start. Just them, the way them talk, you know, so them illiterate.
Plank area.
I said it earlier, no, I said it. Me say, just when I wake up tomorrow, when I wake up later, Plank, just go up on your TikTok and scroll and book up. And if you book up on a PNP, like, just pause and listen.
No, me listen to them.
Just pause and listen. The foolishness when they chat over there.
Not the pause, man. I'm on the For You page. Not the For You page. I hear them fuck with them and chat, man.
Plank hear this. Weekend
common sense and facts, not dead, no way in a conversation. Pure confusion.
Yeah, confusion.
Plank hear this, yeah. Saturday gone, you know, me go one grave digging. When me go the grave digging, I see one whole heap of them did it. And labor right MP command them, Mr. Slowly. And the man command there. And when the man command there, the old man away there, you know, I want PNP, them the man they never vote for labor right from the day, them ban off him, pick them come the same thing. And the man come on there, and the man carry some things to them, you know, and them come take you out and everything. And put if you see how and the man come on, I walk trying to heal up everybody, you know. But if you hear how them are going, I me jump up and me say, but the bomb buckler to not talk about. Yeah, a PNP, that man here with the PNP, one PNP caretaker councillor or MP come here, sir. We no seen them come here, sir. None come here, sir. I demand their labor right. I labor right MP this and in come here, sir. Not even a blind or no blind, not even that you can't see. So that's just showing how they stay. Night a come down and then don't see a PNP politician.
I see him.
tell you.
I see him yesterday. Me I bring one lady, you know, and she a Jamaican. And hear her. I heard what your prime minister going on with. Me say, oi, tapping eyes. Don't say nothing to me about the prime minister. When last you have been to Jamaica?
You should have just tap and let him out of the vehicle to Russell.
Me say, when last have you been to Jamaica?
Just let him out of the same place.
Man, so I agree with you. I said, come out of my car right now.
Kid out to tire and just hold down your hand like I say a gunman a try to rob you.
Yeah,
but we get fire.
Yeah, that's true, but if we let out our blood, let out our nastiness, man.
We can't do that.
Continue the story still. Continue the plan, why you go? Continue plan, why you go? Go on.
What, with the lady? Me shut her down same time, man. Me shut her down same time, not even empty not seven.
Oh, don't write this up. Okay.
Yeah, man.
True, man. Shut him down.
This is what them a say on them program. Them fi name what a labor right for Carleen and name one accomplishment what Andrew Holness do. So me text in the comment and me say, oh, no say all of that. One hospital. This not show you how them stupid, you know. Them expect if you start build a hospital tomorrow, if it done by the ending of the week, a hospital will value $20 billion. If it done in the week.
Remember say PNP them are done. So remember say Porsche say in 2 weeks time she's going to get the IMF deal, you know. Remember?
No. These are the things them are put out there so the people them are act. So
and all I don't people them. We graduates because I could have left school at a PNP time. That's why the society is like this now. All of them time in the 90s come straight up with people left school and can't read. Ever hear that? You go primary school, you go secondary school. Secondary mean high school included secondary education. And nobody can't go and can't read here in a PNP. That's what the Jamaica is like this right now.
You see, back in the day,
exactly.
Yeah.
Reporters did have to go get news. Them have to run go. Remember, you know, them never have social media. You know, where them can go listen and whatever. That's why the thing a break down. Because remember when we are go school, you know, we know about encyclopedia, you know.
Yes.
These kids know about social media.
Yes. Encyclopedia, I forgot a library, brother.
Right.
I forgot a library.
You carry library, you borrow a book, and you have to carry it back. You rent book, you have to carry it back.
Rent book, borrow book.
These new people that are working at the Gleaner, them not go find them own source and them news. Them just sit down in them office and watch social media.
Right.
So what you think them are gonna come with? Hypocrisy.
False news. False news.
Them are gonna come with hypocrisy. Them not come with the right thing because they are not on spot. Because they are lazy. And the government give them a guideline, you know.
But the way they not going again, the investigative journalists is not going again.
The government to make them know say no, they come with facts, you know, and work professionally, you know.
Yeah, man.
All right. Now show you. Look on Beryl go on the other day. Majority of the views them where you see them put out, you know, TVJ, you know. A people cell phone it capture off, you know.
Yes.
PNP party is a populist party. Anyway, the wind blow, then go with it.
Right. Yeah. Them now go get them news.
Every propaganda the news then go with it. I don't say the media try to help PNP them.
Right. Our people put up them a take.
Then I work again, man.
Right. Them crap it and put it on the news media.
I agree.
It's a friend when in the dead. It's a friend the journalist dead from Markie Perkins and even the one the way they are J-Bit. In the amongst them, the Ian Boyne. Big mash up, man.
Hey, look here. You talk about Markie Perkins over the weekend. Me I listen something to when Markie Perkins interview PJ Patterson. PJ Patterson coming to politics 1957. And Markie Perkins hold him for about an hour. And me say even PJ Patterson admit to Markie Perkins say.
No, man.
Enough of the contract them say give out. To the contract, to the people them amongst the PNP, and they don't have nothing to do with the contract them.
Yeah, well, I tell you something about Mutty Perkins. Maybe you know already, still, but I'm going to say it. Mutty Perkins had the hunger man go to court and win Michael Manley without a liar. Him talk to himself in that, brother.
Yeah, man, me know that.
Court,
Me know that.
They eat Mutty Perkins like they eat it like a dose of poison.
Be a vaccine come with Mutty Perkins.
And the man use a lie and the man big going to go talk for himself.
Yeah, man.
And I couldn't angle and I can't manage Mutty Perkins, brother. Yeah, and they call over you, university after West Indies, intellectual get to or something like that, and big sin like a PNP over that.
Yeah.
And the next PNP headquarters that up there. I'm okay, Perkins come and lick up on them and I'm eat him for that too.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we see it, Mutty Perkins, rally tweets. You remember saying my rally tweets was the same program too,
Yeah, man, rally tweets just to hate him.
You see, he hate Mutty Perkins, and Baba Gluda and them eat Mutina, man.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk about Baba Gluda, like, I mean, I rate them the people, If I youth, I listen to the people, a straight PNP, them. I from T, from JBC time, say, from the JBC, say that's a PNP.
Yeah.
You see me? I mean, I youth, I listen to JBC. Even the same green I'm not talking about. But ever since it ever lean into the PNP, but it never so bad.
Yes.
You see me?
Then just come out.
Ever since.
Yeah. Then just come out and they up more with
whatever. Ever since it ever lean into the PNP. But they never, everybody used to get credible news and say, wait still. As bad as Stingby.
Well, listen up.
Pass.
You is a long time PNP stamping ground now because the newly appointed Vice Chancellor, Conyo Thompson, a PNP operative. But yeah, when do now, he used to come on Twitter. He's still up on Twitter, but every day in tweets something disparaging about Prime Minister Holness. You see, if I didn't get the appointment, he's scrubbing Twitter. But what? We capture somebody tweet them.
But remember say, so when they say in that church are certain things, something if you give to Andrew Holness, and then refuse to give up a you, Remember,
Oh.
According to the PNP, then, because we don't nothing go so. Can't you
yes,
staff them because Andrew no say they don't like him up there. Maybe because Andrew from overseas them and say I call them again. Can't you not go up there Chromas? Can't you know?
I don't say back now go up there. Remember say as bad as thing be up them they was through that loan and sit out there and go still.
But me mean say
university,
Andrew not get no accolade up there so Chromas until he come out of politics. Why in politics they're not give him nothing. I don't want no positive to
see they like how PJ got Edwards. See like how Edwards PJ got Edwards Jaga feel like chat pay good things like that for idiot. They never know that all over the years when the man living and whatever. But when they don't attack all the good things but Edwards Jaga. That's a hypocrite them. Go man.
Yeah man, that's true.
This I'm gonna show you now, Chromas. The other day we were talking about Archers. You know the idiot them dep on them program attacks today? Oh, you have to do a test. 30 people have to do a test at the MP office before them can get the grant. So when them did the attack, Mr. Man, you don't know no sense. Everybody will enroll in an art. You have to do an entrance test.
But not at the MP office.
Not that but that is what they are talking on their platform.
Which live that time?
Remember say PNP. Remember say that PNP time,
Good to go out of a caution, nothing good.
Well, no. Remember say that PNP time in the art, them put it there for PA, brother.
Of course.
You understand? So
I labor right can't change your back.
Like the idiot boy I
but
said.
It was still started for a free thing for ever since never have to pay nothing for
in a Edward Siaga time, in a every community you used to have a center where you can go learn trade,
But whatever I say now, no, the next thing whatever I say about art, kind of say, yes, Edward Siaga start, but when Edward start, like I say, I never done no way, and then improve it, make it reach now.
Yo, I'm being foolish because anywhere you go. Why you gonna take up a dunce? A man can't read. How am I gonna learn theory?
A plan that makes sense because if when you go do your driver's license, the man give one book and say read a passenger first.
You have to write a sentence. You have to write a sentence, you know.
Of course.
Right.
Of course.
You have to write
They
a
want no
sentence.
say. They want no say.
If you even crash, if you even meet in an accident right now, if you even meet in an accident,
you're supposed to carry over there.
If you even meet in an accident right now, your insurance, you have to write, or you have to draw how the accident happened.
Yeah, you have to fill out the form.
You have to write. You have to do that.
All right, Mr. Joshua. Good night, sir. Come in your box, man.
When remember it's 2 o'clock where I left, you know, don't even think we'll go over 2 o'clock.
You're afraid of Joshua.
You understand?
I don't want enough time, man, for Mr. Joshua talk, man.
Them a put out the narrative like...
Joshua says, he made a Joshua. But I don't know what to make. I'm sleep all day, guys. I told no, me to put on myself.
Joshua with them late cooking, late eating. Why?
I made that too.
Easy, you know.
I have to do the same things.
Soup. It just say tell us soup.
I soup in great, man. Easy steak for cook. I have to come home, come cook for me.
That's a soup, man. I love his soup, man. A soup, man.
Yes, Rickster say caution says sign up fit 20K. Where caution work, Rickster? Caution sign up fit caution work.
No, if I mention something about 20, if I mention something about 20K for real, but I don't quite remember. I mean,
but you not qualified to find a job. A taxi, you don't have to pay tax. You have to pay tax.
Yeah. And why them have to go on it? Why them have to go on it?
Well, not everybody can get it, sir. You have to pay certain amount of income tax or something like that, don't it?
Why you have to go to the MP office? Yo, them push out some narrative, make people look like them now.
They don't have to go to the MP office for nothing with art plan.
No more than that, them there's something.
Yes, a PAP. It's a PAP thing that you know, Munchie. Everybody love got. People come at them office of PAP, and if it's a liberty, the same thing, and people, everything they talk about.
The more PNP tell lie, and the more the people, the more PNP tell lie, and the more the people them move, the more PNP tell lie, and the more the people them see truth and move to
the more they do fully them the monkey about them exposed.
Yeah, man. PNP chicken come to roast, man. A long time them a do this thing to Jamaican people. And the younger set of remember say the older set of people them were in Jamaica, you know, lag ahead them, you know, because of them link with Jamaica and carry down Jamaica.
Yeah, because of my car, man.
Older set of people them were in Jamaica.
Curse
them a lag
PNP,
ahead.
man. Curse upon the wickedness and blood run on a PNP. Curse upon PNP.
As
man.
then get them look at 2-room board house, they no remember nothing again every week. They got an office, but I know so you go under labor right government, you know, brother.
PNP love go office go collect, man. We don't do them something.
Yes. The old time
labor right independent people, labor party people work.
The old time data politics cut out, you know, man, a young people.
Free mentality. My man.
One of them text me that I can tell me about one of them text me that chat Chromers and say, oh, prepare yourself because labor right. I'm going to look here. If I want in the 18.5 years teach with Chromers, so there's no free meal for labor right. We have to work when I'm full government in a power or not. We have to push out. I love
the progress, you know. I love the progress, you know. And that's why we are pushing out.
We build Jamaica. We name Labour Party. We name Labour Party. We name Labour Party.
Yes. We love the progress, you know. We love the progress.
We are the original Labour and the workers 5 and 6. We name Labour Party. Now we name our party, brother.
Yes.
We name speak everything in a brother.
True.
PNP tell us, you know, and them slogan of power, you know, and fight, fist and fight, you know. And it's all them want is power, nothing else. They say them slogan, what they want. Oh, we say show up, them say power.
Tell them to get it. Lord, they hungry for power now, sir. Whoa, they hungry for power.
Pinch fist and talk about power.
If they see them dinner for eat now, and for choose for power, a power them a go for, so hunger kill them. Master they want power. Kakaras, they want power.
That's the slogan. That's the slogan. Power.
By any means necessary, they want power. Power, they will not never do
That's why they use power. Them also want power. Yeah, they are more like Satan, like more than anything. They are
Dirty Greg Christie and Pan and Seymour Pant and look.
I say I like that man. For the man, they are contractor general. I don't like that man.
Pan you.
But I'm a contractor general before the IC set up. But I'm a contractor general, never like that man. That man never ever seems to love sensationalism. Right, yeah, so I run the headline and not come outside.
Never like him for any time though.
And spirit people
never like him for any time.
Yeah, love headline. That all him do and not come out and no.
Never like him for any time though. You love to hype you. And when it does settle, nothing. Never like it.
Not come outside. I eat that man.
I mean, you know who the Prime Minister bad advice crew must go back to my Turks and Caicos. The kind of Ghana Turks and Caicos, I don't know who.
Yeah, then I should have make him turn them man, but not go trouble him for.
Yeah, I
we don't want them all tough them man. We don't want them all tough them man.
Him and Justice
we don't say people them
I mean, know who.
Justice Pant on the P Street man.
To go for them.
He that TV channel give big awards since year to man.
Take a good look. Man. Take a good look on the PNP side and see how they get some my man them over there 4 or 5 belly they have. How they get fucking ugly. Look on the labor right side them, how we girl them run it, how we woman them run like I say the labor right them run like I say and marble make them.
Yeah, one of them 6 and nice man. All of the labor right woman.
Just good.
All of the petal come straight back down to MunchieB, everybody on the labor side.
The labor right girl them run and pretty.
What's wrong with you?
The labor right girl them round and pretty like I say I whisper marble they them a walk man. Trust me I tell you. For them pretty and neat. Look on the PNP them.
You're rich and they're glad for the 20.
Yes, all about Munchie. You have some picture. You have some picture there. They
say back in a crate.
Go on MunchieB page, man. I see some nice picture, man. I say, wow, MunchieB.
I know, Joe. I know, Joe. Look good, man.
This is MunchieB in a 20s, vacation.
Real thing, man.
I'm a keep on administration.
That's why the man married her, man. That's why she nice.
Yeah, man.
Look good, man. MunchieB pass, man.
Yes, man.
Man could make MunchieB pass, man.
Natural, clean African girl. Let me say, natural clean. No
get a nice woman, man.
Yeah, you know what? No makeup, you know, you see it.
Yeah.
Leave the comrade. The comrade ladies are our friend.
Remember now.
That's the way I cook.
Look for Mark Golden. Mark Golden belly big like a feet. Mark Golden belly big like a all-time 2 bombs. Bright and what harder.
I get jealous of it. I get jealous of it. I comment this over the fire. I social media wife, you know. I social media wife, you know. MunchieB or petal.
Full of grey hair. What you want, Ray?
Petal. Me I say. Never for petal.
Mark Golden a go dead in opposition.
I'm not say no petal personally.
So tell me say petal a nice girl, man. Girl, man.
But that's why no one
you know. Yeah, like I know never know a person what they know she look like. As far as we can go, we know say no she look like. So we never know her personal. Yeah.
Where you are from?
Me no know, but just so like him know her.
Labor right, buck up.
Petal, you have
the man I say, boy, you want to see petal, and I just tell you, boy, you want to see petal, nice.
Labor right, girl, that's good, man.
That's why I say, want to see petal, man. Eh?
Oh, that's what I tell you.
Yeah, but you talking about the live, never hide it.
No goodie.
Goodie wagwan. We are left 2 o'clock. You good about water in our bed. No, sir, we are left 2 o'clock. I mean, I cook my pot and I now make them distract me tonight, goodie. I cook myself already, you know. And when me end up with them goodie, I straight in my kitchen, me I go. When I ask Christ. It was a night.
Eat anytime, man. Eat anytime.
I mean, I know they're warm, so we can't do them foolishness.
Our labor right roll no food there, so you can eat anytime.
Petal, now late night, catch the shit up and diet. Petal. What did go on?
See, my discipline. Just as I tell you, my discipline you want. I sip me tea, me herbal tea, just like regular. You know, like they have the mint, the peppermint. This are lemon ginger.
Why some people come out and them ask me instead of my community ask me say how me I deal with Mark Golding, so me say I deal with him power and platform, I deal with him, I deal with the old big belly boy that you see, man.
They not hear when they not hear all their sound. They not hear all their sound in Cassandra.
Put him in a place, man. I ask him how he hungry for power, so I need no work yet. You know work yet, and how you want to win, Mark. How you want to win, and you know work yet.
Moto, big up yourself, but I know don't never realize you like your video them, man, when you put out. So I like your video them when you put out, man. I like your video them when you put out.
Respect me, General.
Yeah, man. Yeah, for me. Just realize you know. You know, realize you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me say, people start to step to me now, man. In my community, people approach me, people step to me. Even last night, me see one Takuma pull up on my foot, and the woman just rock back in head and laugh. And a far one different community come from. And they must say, yes, man, me like how you deal with Mark, man. Me have to deal with a big belly boy, there, man. Me have to put him in a place.
Liberate too quiet, man, and they control social media matter.
True, man.
Yeah, man, we fix them. That's why they might cost me so, because remember first time I PNP alone the over here, you know.
You still have to be careful, you know. You can't make them carry pull up on you so easy still, you know.
No, man. I feel me bridging and his wife, man.
Okay, you still have to look out at your two year them.
Yes, man. Yeah, me know that, man.
All over YouTube, me see Wally Liberate over YouTube now. Me love it.
Liberate, liberate them rise, brother. Me I tell you that. Liberate rise.
Everybody there, man.
Yes, man. We active, man. Now I know the old time politics, you know, brother. I know the old time politics where they can shut we down, you know. Yeah. I know the old time politics. Jamaica transform. Liberate transform Jamaica.
Social media make MP have to go start work. Them have to go start work. The lazy MP, them have to go start work. Because people that on social media call them out.
Of course.
Morning, everybody. Morning.
How
you doing, girl? Everyone.
Yeah, I train up plan. I train up plan to the Liberate PNP them, you know.
Yeah, man, work.
I tune not talk, you know. May I tell you, cause me always on YouTube, you know, all in the local government election, and you hardly see Liberate over there, but right about now, Liberate upon YouTube now more than PNP.
Spread out, man.
Yeah, man.
Spread out. You ever hear some spread out like Liberate?
Spread out over there,
yeah, for real. Me love it. Me love it. We spread out over there. A true man, we are take it to them, man. Then they get to in a local government body, you know.
We are taking it to them, man. They can't manage the Liberate them.
I'm planning. Never ask me something after all the MP they don't make money to song or something. There was an election time, but to song.
Munchie, mute.
Yeah,
in tank?
Talk again, because I'm not hearing nothing what you say. You was echoing.
Yes, sir. Me I realize that the MP them we have the conference that come up. Tova one just done with here, and every MP I go do it before conference next month. They can make one like a song, one like a dub plate.
Yeah, if you ask Chromas a DJ, Chromas if you ask.
But Chromas don't say MP must get a dub plate.
Alien, come out and come in back. You echo that so high. Your mic opening it, you get the echo. Can go in, come up back and come in back. Yeah, Alien.
Answer the question, Chromas.
Hey, when you say about?
You don't think that the MP them need to make a song for the conference?
Yeah, man, everybody can have them own song, man. Yeah, man, nothing wrong with that.
Why then?
Yeah, man.
Me nothing wrong with word for it. But that's from 2016 when it's a new song.
New song, half a bus, man.
New song.
New song, half a big Munchie.
Yeah, I hear them, man.
Yeah, man, you have to make Munchie, man.
Yeah, man, them a go make, man. Them a go make. You can't
You want a new song, man. If you tell me MPs, they should need to get a dub plate for FIAR conference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't come back in, you know. I'll see that echo. You can't come back in.
Well, yeah, they will take her out.
She that end you that talk and she fear about making that echo. She make that echo that she come out and come in.
Another 15 minutes. I mean, why I need to talk for the 15 minutes before I go, you know. So Chromas, what go on with you now?
Like?
In every way, how are you? How is it?
Yeah, I have life, I give thanks. I have life, I'm good enough, man. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I have life, I give thanks, man. And Father God, I come for everything.
Alright, everybody, alright?
Yeah, so far, yeah. So cool, you know?
What about your plans?
Me the PNP, them a cuss down in a Westmoreland, them a say they don't want one next man because he must lose in a sentence. They don't want him out. They don't want him down in the Westmoreland. And then put up Mark Golden. Then put up Mark Golden picture.
And I say Mark Golden, I send people down there with them now.
Yes. And then put up Mark Golden. Then put up Mark Golden picture big like a one sign.
What about right now? You have some people right now around the Mark Golden constituency. I know too.
Yes, man. One girl said, yeah. Me I see it.
I didn't come them put up. I say them no want them down there.
But Plank, PNP you know, so I'm not listening to them.
Yeah, guy. It's election time, we chat now. Election time, this is about PNP. Can I call this so them see? You can't follow them.
Munchie, don't worry yourself. I must, in an election next year, PNP go buy a beer tissue.
Yeah, man.
Them buy, hey, tissue go sell like foolishness.
Yeah, man, them belly go run, man.
Them belly go run.
Them belly go run.
Yeah, man.
Them belly go run.
100 or less, you need to resign and call the election. Is that clear?
Look on that. The amount of young people now we spread out in Jamaica work. You think they might listen to Dirty Mark Golden, man?
We are giving them a run, man. We are them in December, we are giving them, man.
Next year, December.
Election. And we are saying, that's how we are giving them again. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Call election. You need to resign and call the election. You think of this, you think of like with Bruce.
You're
mad.
That's why the germs come here since they talk about leadership thing, about crisis.
Yeah.
Dog shit.
Yeah.
One message.
They really think they find the golden ticket, you know. You know, so they think they find the golden ticket, though.
No, you know.
Yeah.
They know as long as Andrew only said they can't win. Them know.
Them know that, man.
My name is Andrew only said kill them, hurt them head, brother.
Yes, because a performance, a keep leader them in a power now, and I'm tell you, the old time politics cut out. A performance.
The man is so beloved. The man is beloved by picnic. Everybody pick the animal. Everybody just love the man.
True,
Man has God's spirit. I work with him, my brother.
After me never hear nobody call out PJ. Me never hear nobody call out PJ.
And first Prime Minister of the 14 parish.
I said they want cow and PJ find them. Me never hear nobody call out PJ.
You never see a prime minister. You never see a prime minister or a president go right for the bus with commuters.
Me never hear PJ.
I tell you.
I never hear nobody call out PJ and say they want to and PJ go on the country and give them.
I know if you don't care about apps now, the man does naturally stay so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So anywhere him go, the camera go follow him, because I'm the Prime Minister.
Right now, the Prime Minister want new scissors, you know. Right now, the Prime Minister want new scissors because the one away he have a cut ribbon. It dull up my youth. It dull up entire cut ribbon. Yes, man.
You get a new one in India, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. I told man.
India, I'll be the class.
The man there everywhere, man. If I 100 of my Andrew Wallace, I am fine time if you go everywhere. This man is so good. The man, every Caribbean and car in Jamaica, the man there. And the first minister do them something, you know. They can't believe it. I say this happened to Jamaica right now. This never happened to Jamaica. It should PNP then used to this.
Never happened yet. Never.
Even never, man, if you reverse labor, you see, I got a bit out there enough, yes, but you never have a prime minister there, the cruise on the car at 14 parish of Jamaica. If you want to have this money, but if it's 100,
one woman just talks saying he want donkey. One woman talks saying one donkey, and you find him, and yet you see the road that with the donkey if you walk on and do them go back good with.
Yeah. Yeah, no way, no bad, there's no bad road. Andrew was a go pan for couple fire there.
True, man.
Cruise and car, the man, they may have what if 100 Andrew owners. May have wonder if I include the Prime Minister. The man, they everywhere, man.
And then can't see that. Then cannot see that.
No, man, I'm not going to see no. PMP are cultists, but I'm not going to see no. Man, I'm Stevie one day on a blind tweet. They're not going to see it.
Hear them dumb.
Can't see it.
Hear them dumb. Labor rights not power for 8 years. Them don't realize that out of the 8 years, 2 years was a worldwide shutdown.
Yeah.
And them still blame the man. Even the idiot man will come out about COVID vaccine still mandated at Jamaica. Which Jamaica? Which part?
I'm here to tell you.
You can't tell corporate. You cannot tell corporate. If NCB say everybody have to vaccinate before they get back them work, that's corporate.
Yeah, that's
you can't tell them.
NCB didn't say.
Yeah, King and I comment.
Didn't say everybody has to vaccinate before they come in at the bar. They never said that. They were talking to them workers.
Yeah, Munchie. Yeah, King said I comment. Tell you to take over YouTube.
Yeah, man. Me telling the next week I'm YouTube baby. The King knows me I go over YouTube. The channel just already yet.
Yeah.
I should be not paying no mind.
Yeah, man.
Well, like how we cut off Stefano Stevens tonight. Now then the last week I come to me again.
Again, Munchie.
So what Munchie, the madman now but I've said the last week, I don't know something you can say last week.
So I'm going to sue me again because I'm telling you, say, there's no call Minister Planning because public because
when we want to with him now, we want to know the double standard. Because him can't sue people and you mad him can't get sued. So we should all that work.
Then all you know, Munchie.
Him say not keep cooking, him not keep cooking.
Him Munchie? All that work, Munchie?
Him can't sue nobody, man. Him can't sue nobody.
You never said to him mad him can't get last suit or he can't sue people.
Him cannot sue nobody.
You know mad again.
New message from Letitia.
Yeah. So if he can't sue people, he can't sue him, but I sue for sue then.
Message. Come on, I hear the message from Atisha.
Oh.
Plank.
Oh, a plank?
All right.
Yes.
Message from who?
Atisha.
What she said?
She said, what they're coming out live.
We're enough.
All right, man.
So what they're coming out live because she miss you.
Yeah, man, she need our service.
Who them, sir?
I don't know, Plank. I mean, also me hear a message from her.
Hey, let me hear woman is cleaning now, man. Plank.
Yeah, man.
What
to the time.
From your phone out?
My God, look where me live.
Look
where me live.
Look where me live, Fissy. From the day me born, I hear them run up and down attack. But PNP, this look where me live, Fissy. PNP take center stage with clown. I walk and I pick up money. Jesus God. Man, God.
It's a disgrace, man.
It is a disgrace. Not even whorehouse that no go on.
Or else I get a tip.
My gosh. Hey, look here, listen this. You know where me the one to see? Listen this. When time them I go through the crowd with cartel because I escort PNP official, I escort cartel through the crowd. And when LA Louis Cumron and start throw down the money, me the one to see Angela Brown Burks up there now, turn up, and then take up money at off in bosom. That me the one see.
What may I say? If the LA Louis thing now on the money thing. If that is real, hey, what may I say? But that's serious though, no. If LA Louis do the money thing there, if it's real and that's what really goes so, you don't feel lock him up. You're not supposed to get so much money.
Same thing.
By law.
By law.
Yeah? What by law. Money for them? You ain't not forget lock up, man.
By law. Everything I would then do illegal.
Yes.
How can you give the party money? How can you give the party money like that and then declare where it come from?
Remember say PNP that no matter PNP get away with
murder. Yeah. Them are the root of corruption, you know?
That's true, man. True.
You can't follow them.
Take center stage, man. The puppet show. Man have
the narrative. You never talk about corrupt, and the most corrupt thing ever exists in Jamaica, and the whole Caribbean me I talk about. And Jamaica, PNP is the most corrupt party in the Caribbean.
Of course.
And I'm trying to flip our party.
I never see no labor right than take no mic from police and tell people to go back. No way in Jamaica that.
Yeah, man, see that man.
No way in Jamaica that.
Yeah, calm down crowd.
PNP be record for corruption in Jamaica.
And wickedness and evil, that's what they curse.
And the PNP government
I water the pandemic, man. Well, but I water the pandemic, man.
And the PNP government, you know. And the PNP government, you know, we see one 10-wheeler truck, you know, one 10-wheeler truck full of mad people. If you go dump off in the never go dump off down at St. Elizabeth in the mud and CVM. Did if you go catch them and nobody no go to prison for that. And the PNP government. Remember that. One truckload, then pick up a whole lot of mad people, them fan town go right back to Montego Bay and have them in the truck.
No matter what I said, look, good always conquer evil.
Yeah, man.
And I see it, no matter what they see me, them can't go,
jump off.
Yeah, my boss. Bless.
Good is always over evil, man. Good is always
over. Good night, everybody. You're at a ball.
You have 4 minutes, MunchieB. You have 4 minutes.
Take your vote. Atabal say, I want you guys to win my vote. Atabal, take your vote and eat it.
Atabal a batty ball, but that's a rusty call it, batty ball.
I will come over, you can tell me what to talk.
That's okay, man.
Well, you know how
I want to put the life on me. When I first want to come try style up on TikTok to you. Batty ball. So I put things up so I never say. I put it in the TV. Yeah.
Bright and out of order.
That's how we
can't fool no labor right again.
That's before we start coming out box and talk and them something there on TikTok. Go man. Batty ball that man. Left him to Rusty man.
Keep your vote and dash and eat your vote. We don't want it. Because we don't think we can come over our platform.
No matter what you do, boy, labor right.
I don't like how people ugly still and them sitting there, but not make themselves, but me I tell you the man look away, the man look like a rat. You must see how a man look, man.
Kremas, you have to go and go read your quarter. You have to go down. I have to go read your quarter.
Like a rat, man, like a rat, man. I don't know what they make themselves still, you know. Yeah, that's why I really, yes, we can't, you might not control to how they look, but then ways how they go on, and then look away. Then for go, man, if I hide, man.
We don't want Mark Gold to be no Prime Minister. We don't want him to
be right now. All one talk. Okay, Chuck, wake up to go pee-pee. Like Chuck, drink too much water before you go in bed.
My boy, they could have answered by late night, man, you know, over sweet tips. Sweet tips,
Miss Ashrag.
Where's about sweet tips, Kromas?
No, I say, I'm the morning, man, I don't know if I'm up, but I was up late. Sweet tips, no, man, our labor joke, man, we're doing live.
Where's about sweet tips?
No, I say, I'm up, in live. Sometimes we go over there go talk, man. I want to liberate you too. I'm up in live, you know.
Arrive on your left.
Oh yeah, me go over there one time already too.
Yeah, I was late. We got to after 3 sometime. The morning, more time. Because I go straight to morning.
Me not go bed for now.
Munchie.
Moto, you can't go over here and sweet tips if I'm up, man.
Yeah, man.
Munchie.
Me not go bed for now.
What you say woman say about me?
Which woman?
Kromas.
Where's the blank?
Where's the woman?
No, the thing, the vice no thing where the woman that check up on you, the woman that ear. Where I go on?
Which woman?
No, I hear my pet about talk, but I've never hear what I say. But the vice thing, they think on them phone, man.
Blank.
So you man say,
didn't your
Oh.
phone not go off a while ago?
His phone go off and say,
there's a text message from blah blah blah.
Something like Tanisha.
My phone go off and send that.
Atisha or whatever she name. You know your phone say, and we heard it, that there is a text message from Tanisha.
Atisha.
You never know how
Whatever you are going and plug, I don't know what about tell about it.
Whatever.
What's your name, Plank? What's your name?
Plank. I told them a woman are young, you know. Them a woman are young, so then ears upping up more, you know. Then ears upping up because they're not going to run certain joke, you know, Plank.
Yes.
So then we hear this a text message, yeah, you know. Them a woman are upping at things, and them a woman are they come. Look here, Plank. Them woman are a soldier.
You know, you want MunchieB though, a question.
A soldier woman.
Come and play aside the politics and sports, the live.
Okay.
MunchieB a soldier.
Friend.
25-year-old.
Yes, MunchieB. But your nurse can find out, get out about it. Your nurse friend. MunchieB.
No, she's still single. No friend, nurse friend, doctor friend, teacher friend.
The one with that talk about, the one that look husband for. The one that look husband for.
No, she's not getting husband. You want her?
Yeah, we want her number for
you. Want her?
Yeah, we need her.
So what's your girlfriend you're with? What's your girlfriend you're with? What's your girlfriend?
I live with a girlfriend. I talk to people, but I live with a girlfriend.
What's your girlfriend you have? I never say live. I didn't say live. Want your girlfriend you're with?
Right, you know. I don't serious that I go out there somewhere. Well, somebody forget serious.
Well, well, me have to vet you properly, kind of sound like you're single.
Easy, you know.
I have to vet you properly.
Right now, me know. Right now, me know the home master. Me know the home. Me the out right you know.
Which parish there?
Is there a girl bush?
Which parish there?
Is there a girl bush, Mato?
Mato, which parish there? Where you live?
Yo, if you see the building, I would them put me up in and give me for sleep. And I'm a contractor, man. I'm me the pan one new job. If you see the building, I wear me in. My God.
Which part of Jamaica you located at your place?
Right on the border, St. Elizabeth. I live on the border, St. Elizabeth and Manchester, but I live on the Manchester.
Okay.
Nice place, man. Residential area.
Okay.
Quiet place. Baby goes around me.
But yeah, maybe I do look live and I push and I look to video. They are going still, you know?
Yeah, man. A baby goes around me, man. Baby goes around me. All of them host the bill under Labour right government. All of them.
Like your content, you know? What you're dealing with.
Yeah, man. They can't contract to me, man. Can me give them a homework, you know? Me give PNP one homework. Me give PNP one homework. Last night, me tell them, say...
About seconds.
Where I say?
What, about seconds?
Yes. Me have the answer, man, and they can't answer that. So they can't run country.
This is about your thing, though.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Me say you watch me think me general.
Yeah.
Oh, me G.
MunchieB, me
where your flag can say? Where your flag
hold on him. Me MunchieB I say. Me not see the message, so me I say what the girl say.
Petal was asking you where your girlfriend is for Tanisha.
Hold on there.
Off at 31.
Here they are.
That's my play. I just see a vice that. A computer girl, I said, and a real girl vice that.
No, because look like they are the Siri.
A machine, man.
A GPS.
Yeah.
I'm a GPS, man.
An answering machine. I work on it, man.
Plank. What the name Plank mean?
Left that alone, man.
What you say?
Anybody woman did it easy.
What you say, no? Ring the bell, the MunchieB.
Oh, you come by the end.
Allow that alone, man.
This is incorrect.
Plank, answer the question.
No, but you're not here one live.
Plank, you're on the floor. Answer the question. Everybody mute on live.
You have to talk to you, woman them.
One live woman then I back.
No, well, Frank, just tell them how they call them. Nothing wrong with that, man.
Frank, you have to answer woman them. As a labor right man, you have to answer woman them.
Woman, because the woman I love a plank, you know, so you have to tell them for that.
Frank, you have to answer woman them.
Let them on the floor, Plank. I want labor right woman ask you a question. Go on. Unmute your mic, Plank.
Plank, unmute your mic.
Boy, let's shut up Plank for night. The time we have left, you know, answer Plank the answer.
You didn't hear last night. Last night the woman say when they asked Omar Davis
hold on, me so answer the question there. Hold on,
Omar say, okay, Omar saying plead the fifth. A Plank, you know, Plank a plead the fifth plan.
Plank, as most of you cook me pot, me not coming off without you answer that question.
Promise.
To answer, in the card.
Promise. Plank go put on the woman, make she tell her why he name Plank. Promise.
Okay.
You miss Ashrag. Ashrag went up in her box. Promise.
Yes, yeah. Plank, answer Plank.
You know why you never say because you don't cuss should have to come out fast.
Come contact, but say if we know say there are vaccine. You know why next thing when she obsessed with Munchie, she obsessed with needs. If it did make she talk a little bit more, she that touch on needs.
Oh.
She look me never bring up Guru come chase her and run because you know Guru no joke, you know. If you want the program mash up a night and just put up Guru.
But you don't come up from Ashrag because me didn't want me ear.
Once people do cover it on the platform and we want the cover to come down better, just put up Guru. Run them off quick and fast with profit.
She goes Vegas today and one bunch of them both.
Them can't chat to Vegas, man. Vegas real.
Vegas to take the money and stuff it wherever. And Vegas call up according to them.
They burn them all, because they don't approve. They can't get it.
Petal, what you say now, Petal?
Yeah.
Yes.
Me ask you say,
one more Plank.
Come my turn now. Oh, you come by the name Plank.
What?
Of all the names that could have out there. Chromas, DJ, Chromas, Green, Mato. I went to even come to that box.
Some people are texting and comments so they want to know two Planks, so you better talk.
A woman alone can know that, man. A ticky tick, man. A tick. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Like one piece of plank.
That's why my name so.
Okay.
No, I mean, don't know wrong with that. Tell her.
Give that name there all long since you have the name.
Hey, who gave that name all long?
That one I made it.
You know,
Munchie.
Investigate.
Munchie.
That one I made it.
Munchie.
Yes.
Munchie. Why not behave yourself and go your bed?
No more, no.
Remember, you know, when me live at Jamaica, me used to run taxi, you know.
Which part is it?
Same place, man.
I don't remember. Where is it?
So 2 nights ago, I never said I go inbox you and tell you privately, Petal. You never inbox you.
Hey, Petal, no easy.
Me no inbox Petal. Me inbox Petal and tell Petal. Ask Petal
right. So
who she know this.
Petal, no member.
Don't tell her again, Planks, if you remember.
You know how TikTok now work in a order like how when people send you a message.
All right. Chromas.
Yeah, me hear him, boss.
Here the thing go. It's like me go up on an operation and me mash up the operation. So the operation, go and tell our friend about the operation.
No, we don't want
so our friend come test the operation.
We don't want your proper details. Don't unmute
no,
but this is not a Chroma story. Chroma's never asked you nothing.
Yeah, but Petal.
But Chroma's doing it.
Turn to Petal.
That directly.
All right, me go up on a program. Work the program, right? The program go back and tell our friend, and our friend come test the done. You understand?
Why heavy?
So, yeah, I saw big get the name. You understand?
So Plank. But the female then give that name.
Yeah.
Well, get him then.
So, so we get Jamaica get the name.
Yeah, don't read me now. So you follow me everywhere me go. I bring me come a foreign too.
People in the community know say your name plan?
Yeah, the man say. Yeah, the man say while ago.
I bring me come a foreign.
All right.
And that bring me come a foreign.
Yes, that
pattern.
That have it travel. That have it travel. That
yeah, have it travel. It's right for me.
Believe your plan. When time them have to do it, finger man, I work. Yeah,
man. Me tattoo the name for me, man.
Yeah.
Me tattoo the name for me. Me tattoo the name for me, man.
So you say you ain't gonna par do plan. Your man dingo gonna par.
No.
Yeah, man, that's the go, man.
Where you go this hours a morning?
Oh, me? I work me there, you know.
Okay.
Clean green, I say, clean green say something now, because Munchie soon jump off, you know, you say something.
No, man, clean green got a bed, you know,
laugh with the laugh. And Munchie, I said,
you realize every night clean green come on the platform and he fall as a clean green. You know, single again.
Don't tell no lie for me, get every single thing. I just don't, look at when me did one talk, my mouth in a frat, and me want to dance it. I don't know what to make me cuss him, I'm just low, no. And then by the time I get to time, I don't want to talk, I listen to entertainment.
I want this, if I come up, you know, I'm Munchie all the way off, you know.
Yeah, man.
Up in the last part, they will rush him like a bulldog, you know.
And me put up people, I didn't moderate, I must say, not me.
Oh, Petal.
I'll bring me up. I don't want you.
She never want. Just send me let her know before me reach up.
Oh, that's a
yeah, I'll Petal the moderator.
When Dancy come up, you know, Petal put up everybody, you know.
Yeah, man. Sing him over goalie, man. Sing him over goalie.
I just want to comment on the program, she mash it up.
Ashrag, me did want to come up to man, because me did
yes,
want...
that's how we make spoke, but that concession, you see?
I'm king down in the comment.
Drunk when I pick up Ashrang, if me ever bring up Petal with Ashrang on the program, wouldn't that see the real Petal when she does this Ashrang, me I couldn't take it. I want
we come out the PP, you know.
Back at Sabbath school, Chromas.
We come out the PP, we're not tolerant. What's the silly seat started? We're not tolerant with PMP right now, brother.
I don't
no
want
tolerance whatsoever.
Church, Chromas.
We're not coming to talk about leadership crisis, eh? About crisis in Jamaica, about with Andrew,
there's a leadership crisis. There's a leadership crisis.
Side.
No, because them depend on them platform, I said. The government for free, the IC for freeze Andrew Oldness, asset them, and them for him for step down. And them narrative that them are preaching, you know.
May come across some posts from 2020 and from 2021 when Natalie and Karen them are rub them leader and a carry and that them to go focus on
exactly
how much section the PNP splitting a.
What I say? They love to take on labor right and come out and chat to the labor. They take on Karen Cross. They take on Karen Cross and argument with her.
One of the posts, Natalie asked if anybody ever do no confidence motion against him.
No, Petal, let me say, Karen Cross, we have bashed them up as a PNP and Jamaica politics. So them take on them people, eh? Yeah?
So when I say no confidence vote for the Prime Minister assets?
Then they freeze him assets.
They come like a idiot.
But we never know about name there. That's so much power that I see have now.
The IC don't have power to free the Prime Minister assets.
That's why Judge Davis said. That's why Judge Davis said yes. I am a combo. I want my combo.
Head to your pickup at 3503 Midvale Avenue.
Can't get the girl off the top chat on my phone and I say, girl can't chat is a shame. Kyo, me lock it down.
You like when she chat, how you say?
That's why King tell me my phone I informer.
What that King say?
Petal, which part you live? Montreal? Where? Ottawa?
Toronto.
You know, sprinkling company, Moody Sprinkler, in Toronto.
She live at Brampton with the Indian, they worship on the beach.
No, some people don't live at Brampton.
You must say mad, not even me. Wow.
So that's going to Canada. Indian man shit on beach down over there.
Yes.
Brampton a bad place and a whole heap of friend. I be a Walter man there Brampton, you know.
I don't know there's some clash thing going on all the while, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, so you step Canada, step a choice.
Over there have good areas in us now.
A plank there, Canada the plank?
No.
Oh.
Donald Trump is my president.
No, I mean as a plank if you're there, Canada?
Donald Trump is my president, sir.
America in there.
Oh, America in there. Oh, next time with Canada in there.
In your dreams, plan.
Better you not follow some system of Canada.
I have some brother live in Canada, man.
Party.
You don't know about sound system of Canada music, that's all.
No, me not go party.
Because my son will play them step a choice. I might sound out of Canada.
Okay.
I play my the Jamaica part.
Ask me about Brampton, I live. Brampton, where India, they do the the beach, yes or no? Take some time, I miss one video with me over there.
I walk back at India and them with the plastic bag in there.
We don't want you nothing about him, kind of PNP. We don't want you nothing about him. We don't want you nothing about him. On that table for them legacy there.
Alright,
what's the matter now? You come back time of you know. Atobal says not PNP. Who's what? Jamaican?
No, Markie G slave.
For them legacy there on that table, man. They were right that eagle, man. I fly high, man. We soar high. Aim high.
Unless I want different Atobal this. You don't know. Not a PMP one. But we are chat. But I want different Atobal.
My God.
Our cars war between Chuck and Reedy.
That me that Chuck asked him cause Reedy why this man me go up me and pass and Reedy live.
Hey, Plank.
One with himself. I said, I'm going to tag the Prime Minister, I'm going to tag Dr. Chang, I'm going to tag everybody. And I say, I'm going to say, what are you reading now?
Hey, Plank.
Yo, Moto.
Hey, remember one time, you know, when Bruce Golden said free healthcare, you know. When Bruce Golden said free healthcare, you know, I see him PNP them, I say, you know, yo, the country go mash up, nothing can go so. Just say they don't have no vision. Just say them are idiot.
But Bruce Golden said free healthcare.
And PNP say nothing can go so.
No, but them are capitalized. But them are capitalized panic because the most war go on a town. Them are full up the hospital downtown. KPH full. And most PNP down there.
The best one at the 1.5 and every man in the year I'll stand. And the GDP is 1.5 and it is impossible for the 1.5 because if that's gonna put the country into this and that and I think
Betal, may I show you how the people them dance. Now I'll show you how the people them dance, you know.
Them past dance.
Alright, if you buy a piece of property for $5,000, them expect say after 4 or 5 years, that property still value $5,000?
Yes, man.
Listen, Plank. You never hear last night the lady will get things when she asked them about her land title. When them go back to go find out this thing, when they take them say house and something. What the woman to the people and tell her say, all those have been destroyed.
Because them don't know, them must say, yeah, what them must say? The money where Andrew have, his asset is more than the money that he have. The asset must be more than the money he have because the asset
a value.
The value of the asset are gonna go up.
A value right. That a value. Value always. Me can't and until look much more for it. I value
You
that.
understand? You understand?
Listen to this.
Yes.
Listen to this, Plank. Listen to this, Plank. It is simple. It goes to show that these people, they never even do basic accounting. They not do basic math.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So all right, me I make. Say for example, me I make. Let me see how much we can run here to be say work out in fast. So me I make one. Let me see.
Do it on the lowest arithmetic.
So me I make 10 million a year, right?
Yeah.
Me I make 10 million a year. Me have my mortgage, right? So 10 years ago, me in the minus, right? Because me have a mortgage. Me have a mortgage at how much million. Me have this are my earnings. My earnings are 10 million. And me have a car. Me take out a car. And me owe one 5 million on it. And me have some debt, right? Me have some debt. Now, 10 years later when me done pay off for the house, and the house value how much more millions and millions of dollars. The house are gonna value 50 million when me done pay it off.
Yes.
Remember the house
Value gone up.
the house are gonna appreciate. Me done pay off for the car. So the car, when me did have the car back then, the car me did owe 5 million pound there, right? But me pay off for the car. 10 years later, the car gonna depreciate. So the car might depreciate $2 million. Okay? So that gonna be my net worth. My net worth gonna be all of what me have saved. Cause me got me pay off me debt, them and me pay off everything.
Yeah.
And me now have my house.
Value you have now.
We're worth $50-60 million. My car, the few millions dollar for my car, my savings, all of my investment then were mature. All of them something there I will contribute to my net worth.
Yeah.
So why is it that the PNP have the people them in the dark and make them seem like the Prime Minister?
No, I've been there one to bring down a Prime Minister like what they do with Bruce Golding and Siaga.
Yeah, house no work nothing. In bills they when pay off no mean nothing. In things them him stock on him something them when
him asset is more than him earnings. Them dumb. The man is a businessman. I want sensible man me ear say something on it. And say the amount of account him have, it's no problem because him have to move money, transfer money from account to account.
Repeat that crap because the fact of the matter is that the report said 28 accounts, 28 accounts.
And that means that savings account.
But this
yeah, different accounts, you know. That means they don't ever save the accounts. Different type of account.
32 or 34, the report, it lists the account them what the Prime Minister have, and on that list that it include the one them what they did put on about him parents. So I feel the all of the accounts them minus the parents, I weigh him have must be 6.
I say, I guess we have petal, you have different type of accounts too, and all of them are savings accounts neither. We do business with the bank, they call the account. Yeah, fixed deposit kind of stuff.
You remember the little idiot man?
Money just travel through.
Well, I know. You remember the little idiot man with the company program I talk about him at 100 and him have keep barbecue at 100 and friend them there. You remember? And him ask one question about investment when he in Dino.
Oh, Dino, I want drunk. Him are the biggest drunk. I'm like sure.
05.
Which live in compound?
In 1995.
A teardrop off at 8:30.
Him did depend. Him did come for our life, yeah, man. And I said him have 100 people. Him have a barbecue and him have 100 people here right now. And he's asking a question. What if he makes some investment in the country because the prime minister is not this and that? You want to hear him over so? You want to hear him over there? If me sure.
I see it, you know. I see the logo for Angel Life, don't it?
Yeah, man. Him see, man.
One
yeah,
minute
man, I will follow that PNP that.
Like say, him come tell you, him work in a healthcare. Every profession, everything when do him him well rounded. Like one time he give the impression like him is a doctor. I say yeah, doctor. But basically, like he must say, basically he manage this and that.
He have a little thing like him more than people like him. I think
him have business in the business all over the world.
All over the world, yes.
A batty boy.
Yes,
him have no business nowhere. But him have business at England. Him have business. But if him go England, him have this account where him transfer
anybody
money
will have business all over the world. A batty man.
Batty boy. A lie, Mattel.
And like somebody came and bought like 10,000 pounds of sweet potato from him. And
me not listen to you. Not listen to you better.
Yeah, and you know, and in 1990
with Petal Blanc, she got the receipt.
Me listen them to you, but me listen them, but them black me now.
And in 1995, when he bought this land in here, and it was valued at how much, $1 million at the time, and this and that, my friend Andre Stevens. And I have a company that set up in Florida with and if they ask me, I could show them where I got the money from to start the business, and I could show all the equity, and I could show
because you have paper chase.
Yeah,
and if
you turn that little piece of shit upside down.
Him on the next one, Renee. Me say me yet when the man talk, he say, man. Uncle Sydney.
You know what the problem, Plank? A lot of them that went to school, Michael Manley free education, and even during PNP time, and so few get through the cracks. They left the country when Omar Davis and PJ mashed up the economic and they couldn't get a job. Now in 2024, 2023, when Andrew Wellness and Nigel Clark bring back the country, bring back the economy, things are going on in the country. All of them now, Tapanaris them. They want to be consultants. They want to go into the Senate, and they want this and that. But just because Dr. Chang, Tufton and Andrew now look funny. That's why one of them turn them back for the government, you know.
Hold on,
the
them apply for consultant position and the government now look on them. Remember the PNP, you know. The man push a consultant that member. You know,
never burden country.
You did hear the idiot woman I talk about. I came to Jamaica 2 weeks ago, and I come off the plane and descent in the airport. And the Prime Minister have nothing to do with the airport?
That's how say so. What's your name?
One woman today.
Exactly.
Because somebody not tell her say our crutches where she up on the planes all lost.
I came. And so the airport is stink and smelly, just like the people that works in the airport.
Jesus.
She could come over here on this, no Jamaican, so.
Jesus.
Over caution today.
Andre.
I would have England she call from, and where I travel from
no, I think Canada she
I would England she come from. She's going on the plane 2 days with her sour front.
Lucky he might come to Jamaica and when me come at airport, one thing more and do I come out at airport. To go out the door, go tap and yam some KFC and drink 2 red stripe there.
No, right. One TSP and one coconut, one jelly.
Man.
He said all of them.
I still love style Jamaica, man. I went to listen about Jamaican. I went to listen about Jamaican. I still want to style Jamaica. If you go, man.
The Prime Minister have nothing to do with the airport. He have nothing to do with the airport.
No, man. You should just drop shot. Maybe she wants to say Andrew, but the location is
Then
Andrew.
that me I tell you, them I blame the man for everything.
Yeah.
One thing me
business.
know. One thing me know, Labour right government make enough of them left foreign coming and then can't drive into their community. If they drive into their community, they sure know so them will go crash car then on where road car when they left no road nobody there. And when
Remember say no. No for them, you know. No for them, you know. When they left Jamaica, them think that them alone could have walk on plane step, you know. Remember, no for them used to walk on plane step, you know. Now you know walk on plane step again. You walk through drawbridge.
Yeah,
you understand? No for them used to just walk on plane step to get money.
A long time I go to the airport, they still say the song started in there. Our bridge I go through now.
Yeah, man, walk bridge you know walk on plane step again, man.
No, I mean Jamaica me attack, but we know foreign states 5 or 6.
Me like a waving gallery.
Yeah.
Yeah, me love the waving gallery you. Me used to love the airport of the waving gallery now.
The waving gallery in the Jamaica again, man.
I can't see them live off. That is a sweet still enough.
Yeah.
Remember when me a little boy
live off and take off. Nice man. That should cut out still enough. God know that should cut out. God know.
Let me tell you what was it about the waving gallery. When you
I did boy the Cassie man. I did boy the name Freddy Cassie man.
No, waving gallery then tell the people I walk on step I go up on plane.
When your family
Yeah, it's not necessary now because when you go up on the plane, your family they can't see again.
You can't see, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But so how long now since we are walking through, you know?
Years, man.
Long time.
Years.
So we're not going again neither.
No, sir.
From in and
never know.
From
we even know we even get Peter we talk about the walk in a tube, come straight to the airport. Like
about 2000, it cut out from boy in 2000, man.
Mid 2000.
2000, yeah.
Mid 2000.
So we are walking in a tube, come straight to the airport now then.
Yeah, man.
Never tell you when. About 2006 or so.
Yeah, man. Remember when me a little boy, no, man, and my neighbor, my little virgin, my neighbor go got fired in a man. And me and the man mother carry man go airport, you know, man fly about 5 o'clock in the evening, you know. And with the airport from 12 o'clock, you know, I say, me turn up over waving gallery, me say, son nearly kill me.
you know what is nice about the waving gallery, right? When say for example, say your family member have one bright green top and one jeans.
Yeah.
And you can identify him.
Yeah.
And you see when them go up the step and you call out then you ball. Everybody call out their family member name. You know?
But you can't hear them because the plane so loud them that can't hear you.
You can't hear a thing.
And them
time you are weird.
Alright. And them the life the PNP while we go back go live. Go back I go climb up on plane step and I walk and I waving gallery and everything there. Back in the days, politics them want.
Yeah, then it's something they cut out the church
Lang. You know, say Barbados still a walk on place. What going to
All Amsterdam. All Amsterdam.
Barbados and Bahamas still a walk up on plane, you know, last time.
No Bahamas, no. Me go Bahamas.
Well, me go Bahamas from 2000 and...
No, me go Bahamas what year?
Well, 14.
No man, it change up. Me I tell you, me go Bahamas, I drive it.
Barbados 2021.
Remember, say Mark Gold, $20 million go there, no, sir. So you not know today.
No man, me go Barbados. Me go there some before Mark Gold go there, man.
No, yes, Mark Gold send $20 million gun.
Because Barbados, I'm gonna walk with a no king. I walk up on the plane past 10. That's 2021.
All right, me go tell you something. You have some of them. You see some of them plane. You see like you have some plane that come from Cuba. You see them Cuba and I think Panama will come a Norman Manley. Me don't know for whatever reason. Then me see come down on the step.
Maybe alright, maybe it's too low petal. Maybe it's too low. The plane them low. So maybe
it depends on the size of the plane.
Right, it depends on the size of the plane. It depends on the size of the plane.
Because so Barbados have Jet Bridge King. And if I see them go, but they don't have it now. A 2021.
No, he might refer to a miss. He might refer to when we say the plane them
No, that's why I play them low. If you line up with the true with it low or so.
Them the plane there are inside Mr. Denkia in luggage. Inside that plane Mr. Denkia in luggage.
Yeah.
Maybe this
compartment in there.
I see him say go to inside me carry for me to me saying carrying for me luggage and so.
Yeah, man.
He said Barbados nor Cayman doesn't have jet bridge. Okay.
They don't have jet bridge.
Okay. Cayman
which part again?
Never go over there before.
All right. Me go a Cayman.
Pickup at 7230
Me go over Cayman, you see? Me go over Cayman and me buy one 9 piece of KFC and I me never me give it eat.
KFC in a nice safari. Me not even buy that safari.
Buy one 9 piece of KFC and I me
Jamaica the best KFC, man.
Jamaica the best KFC in the world, brother.
I would have friend go to Jamaica, brother. Two things they carry KFC and tasty patty. You know that,
I'm patty.
Tasty patty.
Me can't eat the KFC.
Me don't care of.
Two sauce,
They are foreign, you know. Florida.
You allergic to chicken?
No, it look like me. Let me tell you. When me usually I leave, me have to carry one bucket of barbecue chicken, right? People want the barbecue chicken.
Yeah, because they can't get that in Canada for true. Because we cannot sell it now, that's Canada.
When me tell you say, when time I reach, I that me eat. Or me tell you say, when me at 2016, when I come down to election 2016. Poor me no. When I remember when they did that one chicken shortage. And remember that time there?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, remember.
Quite early. I don't know if I something then. I don't know what it is because me the chicken good all along. Me say. Me no say. Me dey from where I Oche. I'ma go up a Manor Park up at the KFC up there so I'm buy chicken. And make I tell you say I eat the chicken and by the next morning I sick like that.
Now worry yourself, Petal. When you go back to Jamaica, me and you did me have a happy pin for you. Me have an antidote for that.
What the antidote for that?
Petal, we say in KFC.
So we don't know.
What the antidote? Plank or matter?
I me have a plank, man. Now antidote that, man.
So me I go tell you now. Me I go tell you now, say. Me now, cause me eat mango. Me eat mango. Me eat half and something. So me think alcoholic me catch.
Oh.
So, boy, me say, alright, now me come back after about 2-3 days now, and I come back good, me feel better. So you see election night now, the election day, me decide say me go eat some KFC again. No, I never election day, it was before election. They say, after them say no campaigning now go on and me just a bill. And me decide to never enjoy my KFC now because I'm on in an election and that loud research. You see, when them interview Portia, and Portia said, do I look like a loser to you? Me never forgot that.
Yeah.
Me have to hold up my belly. Me say me sick like a dog. And it's like the sick the worst. It's like the can't digest it. There's something that just in my belly and like it just can't. Me say I don't work. You know we should feel in the pan nobody.
So what about now? You want to try it back?
You must be mad.
Let's try it back.
Me I tell you, Petal, wait till election time. I will try it. Me have the antidote for you, man.
You know, say that 2016, me said the way me nervous, me couldn't eat. Me nervous, me couldn't eat.
I went Siaga say, when I was on my way down to Mountain View, you remember? That time. We say, and when you come back up, we say,
2016 that.
Yes. Remember PNP this set up to start celebrating Chromans and
yeah, true. At the headquarters. Yeah.
PNP headquarters have the music set up and it's Sister P and everything nice and everything and no labor right now on the road. Place labor right gone in.
Yeah.
Them
Yeah.
say,
When the dust settle,
them have to get called to Belmont Road to rated.
and then I don't call them Petal.
What's the Belmont Road still?
When the polls,
It's a Belmont Road still. Me don't know if the labor they run the car and look at the people, you know. It's a Belmont Road still. Me don't know if the labor they run the car and the people that say, hey, you go ahead as nobody. Make it like I saw good news, they're full up.
No, it'll come like.
It's when the box them start, it's when the seat them start declaring in 2016.
Yeah.
And the labor right then say, even before they say we win, labor right then say we really perform good and everything. People start make their way to Belmont Road because win or lose, we perform so good.
Yes.
We have reason to celebrate. Come on, we have from
Westmoreland.
no petal. So people start make their way to Belmont Road. Jesus Christ.
When
to call.
That's why.
When me
Here say to let owners win it.
Remember said Dr. Don. Remember said Dr. Don did win it, you know. I remember said they got when they got magisterial, I say all the morning, they say me sick like dog. I say Dr. Don.
What I tell you say? That's why I tell you say.
Munchie, want to what's Rochelle?
Who name Rochelle?
The girl from the place where they sell fish, right?
But I say I don't hear from Rochelle. If I take her number, because she don't get very friendly.
You have to take the body number, man. Rocky Pine.
Yeah, Rocky Pine. Definitely the thing that didn't get her.
Ask King because King know every labor right within there.
Because when she did come on and name up herself and we tell her, say, take time. And she said, man, come on for this bumper class. Come on.
She don't come back, Brandon.
She don't come back, Brandon. I don't like people rush me. Man, I say, Russell, calm down, man. Calm down.
Anyway, I say still, that's why I say the election there will come up. Next year, general election. We can't take nothing for granted, my brother.
You have to be careful.
We not take nothing for granted.
No matter how much seat. No, because we have to be the same thought there. Like when the PNP them makes, oh, we have all the seat. And they can't overcome. Me not the lyrics say. Me not encourage the kind of argument. Me not get complacent. Me not like the argument there.
Because based on how things are going, me a project so we are win 36 seats or 37.
I don't know what you're going to win. We know we're going to win still.
We know we're going to win still. We're going
to win this. We're going to win this by seat. Still.
Hold on there. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there, Munchie, hold on, Thomas and Plank. Let me give me this one here. Today, the election nasty pitch by day, fly by night. Barack that we need to go do in pop smear. Oh, life a seat count.
Yeah, me see it too. Me see it too.
I can start. Mrs. Oldness at Trail. Mrs. Oldness at Trail.
Trail who?
I forgot that we put up beside her.
Yeah, me I wonder where you get them the code from.
Marley, all down a Montego Bay. Andre a lead by how much? Must say 100 and add against Malawi.
150.
Where get the numbers there from?
Me no know. Me see him put them up to for real.
Remember say a cokehead, you know. Cokehead down good with numbers.
Input them up and have all the number under them. Like when they call election. You know
No. Because I true you talk better. Because it must say Montego Bay, Granville, if it must say PNP, and up there so if it labor, right? So them are depend on this apart division here. Me not listen to him too. Me not watch it too. Him real count, you know.
Some of them never register much as to go.
Numbers, you know.
I saw him stay in a blank. In lay up part.
Me I wonder where man get them they sitting there from.
I saw him stay in lay up part.
I want now PNP.
You're not getting away. I make you up.
Moana with PNP big amount and Moana with them promising. Moana with them promising. Say them are going to give him.
They're not promising nothing because I will never acknowledge him.
You know, you must say, me not come over here so beg no money, you know. But you look at $5 Canadian, them and it $10.
You over there after that?
Yeah, he said tomorrow a big meeting because I have a member of parliament or somebody accompanying program tomorrow.
Okay.
So he must start.
I beg money.
He said no come over here come beg money, but he look at $5 them and the $10 they help him.
You look like Tati. Piece of Tati. Look like she not weak yet. And then Tati said me car.
Are you share the live with Tati?
This year.
That is a petal so that link.
Tati said no share the live. Stop constantly immediately flank. They have apologized to me.
Mr. Be laugh till be cry.
Probably. Is it?
Yo, better laugh, better.
Hey, people like you wicked about that. That's wicked. I like.
Yo, you apologize same time, man.
Tati answer quick, you know.
Yeah, Tati say a petal say be live.
Yes, a petal said that a request.
Yeah.
Yes, that a request. You said that a request, petal. I should have made that box. Yes, that a request. Hey, petal. Yes, that a request. I should have made that box. Hey, petal.
All the next day, I have to bust out a laugh and tell my mother laugh.
No, I have a request. She said, man, are you share the live with her? Are you share the live with her?
She say a petal share the live.
She say a petal wake her up.
She share the live. And then she go talk about who invite Petal. I make me a cuss.
No, I think my name she call, you know. I think of some she say about plank.
I'm ready. Let me start cussar.
I start cussar. I Petal go say, who go wake up? Piss your bed, Tati go change. And he was and Booty say, who call you over here? And he say, a Petal share be the live.
Yeah, apologizing.
Oh my God. Me they are telling us if we take time with her.
You two ring for handicap, man.
Yeah.
Imagine if she never handicap. If she never handicap, but imagine if she never handicap, but she name, but she should have no bad side of your name.
But she said, that's a wheelchair badness.
Yeah.
I want one joke.
That's a maximum moral business she go with this, so.
I want one joke. I'm going to screenshot it and put it on my profile. I go past TikTok, you know TikTok message go.
I love handicap people still, you know.
No man, they're special.
Look, you see, I'm like the PNP, them chromas will go.
She want too much, she want too much, man.
We don't make problem with people like them.
No, handicapped people, you have to love them, you know. That's special people,
I
you know.
have a problem with them, man.
But she's
too tired of handicap, though.
Every day I work with them, man.
But it look like such a
Petal, who come in the inbox?
Tati, you know, for when she go in my inbox, I must see about in August. But I never see it until last week. It look like it's Chumina and a friend.
She like your Petal?
No, it look like Chumina follower. It got in there from spam something.
Oh,
because your friend.
She tell me so sitting in the inbox. Me go screenshot it and put it on my screen so people can see. Say nobody.
She do cuss you? Cuss you Petal?
Yeah. Nobody no have no mercy upon her. But she hears me a call her.
Yeah, but she not a manners, man.
She hears me.
When you call up her name?
I one day she did come. We did have one live with Chuck and we talk something. And she requests the box. And I don't know how Chuck, you know, when Chuck is about, don't cuss them. We can talk to them or whatever.
When Chuck thinks that they're redeemable.
And she come up in the box come up with her face. And so I say, who that? And then I look, I say, well, with a piece of bed, woman, she reach up in the box or whatever. So me and I kick off. So it look like it look like to me I talk one next day now and I tell them oh them out or she come up and a cuss me. Somebody go tell her say me a call her name cause she say me you say over there call up me name or whatever. She give me a piece of cussing, you see. Must about 5 messages, one after the other. we know her.
But that's a wheelchair badness. Yeah, that's what I want to say. But we got a badness I can't put on people.
But you're gonna settle in back of hospital, so they stay.
Typical people.
And if you cuss her, you hear people say, "Oh God."
Yeah.
You're wicked.
I just a face. Yeah, what?
Well, so PNP stay doing no, they're not easy, you know.
Me bring them every day, brother. The walker, wheelchair, everything. They have a tree there.
Look on John.
If you look at handicap America, I get automatically in a chrome walls.
What? Dismissal?
No, any of your liquor handicap person in America, you get automatically 25 years.
Okay. Prison. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's that, man. You're not supposed to lick them still. Like kind of harsh though, but you're not supposed to lick them.
John Pollock deserve a lick, man. That's the truth.
No, man, I take you to take back your foot.
Boy, at a ball, you are the most.
He must say the wrong person. The wrong spot we are taking for one different at a ball. That's what he must say.
We're not taking for nobody.
At a ball we talk about how film ad spell H-O-T.
No, H-A-T-T. I'm not taking for nobody. Coming up no time, me have little time.
It's at a ball, but at a ball, I don't know. You must have a different person in this.
You must have got to change the name. Chromas, you must have got to change the name.
If I true, yeah, but I've got to change the name, yes.
We don't have enough a lot of time to come.
We can go for them things, but I really see the ugly man still be a look for still.
In the man, we didn't twist up teeth and the dirty ear we want to wash.
Yeah.
Yes, in the back.
We look like rats.
You see what we do on TikTok, me click not interesting, so I don't run on them profile because I really don't want to see them. Anytime I see the video with them come up, we just go on and click not interested, so TikTok and show them again. We don't want to see them come up.
Yeah.
That me do so much. But in there, what of them do they? You know, me not see PNP on TikTok though. That's why me tell you say, then don't bother me. Then think that me tell you, it's that's why me can cuss them every day. Cause me not see where them post about me no promise. Cause me actually tell TikTok don't show me those people. Me only watch who me want to watch, and mostly international, and most things are going on in America.
Then class are wicked, man.
Yeah, man, me see. So that's why it not bother me. Me watch GB News, CNN News, MSNBC, little Fox, every little thing. Right now, Kenya, me there watch what going with the Kenya president, or South Africa. Me don't watch, me don't listen to local business. So
like a batty boy, cash, and I come mama, man, me and man, love. I target people.
Me no look on them. Me not.
Can't do me nothing. Can't step to me. Don't know me. Can't step to me. If you make me out the road and see me, can't step to me. I tell you that.
When they come right then do like tomorrow, like we put Sandra tonight, or think whatever. Tomorrow, no, the Barracuda put me up on the platform.
They say when Blanca, when you say they make Chubus tell us about the Babati boy, though. Does he make more?
Look here.
But tomorrow the Barracuda put me up and cuss me and put me name and put some liver Central Manchester.
Yeah, Batty boy, man. A PNP party, a real Batty man, original party.
But them not the thing. None of them not show them face.
You know, so the people them don't. You know, so the people them where I listen to Andrew. You know, so them don't like him.
No man, they like him, man. A big stage independent, and I get to them, you know.
Which Andre? Stefano Steven?
Yeah, you know, when the girl come and say, Andre, this man, when the girl come and tell him, say, one big box in a one community, and the whole community, they listen to him.
Yeah, they love him.
PNP constituency, so look at the PNP germs them.
When them eggy man, but this food fiesta, Anyway, some of them, if them are shit in a bag, they will eat. They will buy.
Of course. I'm going to tell some of my labor right lady live where man and I come over for my life. Just go to my kitchen, we make my breakfast, and I go up on TikTok and I see labor right there. I don't know what she name. She come from Carl somewhere with a constituency. She just start the live. And we said 2 girls pass for the live and call to her, you're to the live now. And 2 PNP girls them there now. But every day I'm back to politics and them don't have no bathroom. The 29 don't do that. It's that easy. And our friend them, she called to them and everything and she said they don't have no bathroom.
Then they choke Munchie.
She done them right away so.
Right away for the live crumbers and our friend them. You come call to her everything. And you're like, alright, I want to go here to do there. And years of run back to politics and they don't know if you don't do them here. No bathroom, no toilet, no nothing. Yeah.
What do you mean? Talk on the things, yes.
Yo, a modern time now, man. Back in the days when me and you grew up,
What's the matter?
Yeah, man. Matter go sleep, man.
The worthless plan. There's no way.
Remember, back in the days,
bathroom. About politics,
Yeah.
It's not about politics plan. It's about ambition.
Yeah. Ambition, man.
It's not about
but imagine all the years of a female, and then have ambition is in them place.
No matter no man said they don't have cover. That strike me for like nothing. It's not about politics, it's about ambition.
They be a standpipe, man. A PNP thing, You know, Munchie, standpipe in a community, a PNP thing, They're gonna be like standpipe.
I know. And you know what? Thank you for bringing that up, Thomas. You know what? It was an vex to the JLP government to move the standpipe them do.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what community place where we live in a central, Don't know what community where we live in a central, don't you, so Thomas? I remember like last year, was our year ago, my husband go down there. And those husband come from in the area, can come from in here, I must say. And just say, they vex with road because road a bang the standpipe. He said, what? Them vex with road because road make water commission bang up the community pipe. You hear that?
Yeah, next reason again to know the standpipe too. You know why they know the standpipe too? Different from the bathing system. Then them can't name that and have to pay the water rate.
Right.
If you're a person in the pipe in your yard.
Exactly. They say road a bank. Some say no road and no work with water commission. Why would she make people bank? Yeah, because when PNP in a government, the pipe did a work and as soon as they leave the pipe bang up. Yeah. Them believe in a standpipe promise, me tell you right. And they say they want to go beard. I love free. You go catch water.
Yeah, man, so then see, man. The free mentality. Yeah.
Remember what the woman go to market complain or about this. I don't know which one of the community them in essential.
If I run get there, yeah, they get the privacy. I got pay a little bill and them little thing there, You don't want that. Them people go be there stamp. I can show the expose of themselves and them sit there.
Free, Michael Manley.
To the name of freeness.
Free. Yeah, the woman say, oh, I would have win. She make water commission come. Me say, no, I would have do that. Yeah, because here's the standpipe today, and nobody knows nothing. And as soon as she win, and they vex with road. I know she not nothing to do with it. But me just say, so PNP people steer. They like free road, free water, free food, free in everything. They just work this. Anyway, guys, this on the steer. I'm telling you, someone want to leave 2 o'clock.
Yeah, you do an hour extra.
You distract me.
Yeah.
3 o'clock.
That's
you can't go on, no, don't plank.
Yeah, man, you can't do your thing now, man. Without pressure.
We can't go on, Peter, no, we can't go to bed now.
Oh, me not want to sleep.
Petal, Munchie, you have to go on bed and live make Petal run live.
Because what me ever do,
But remember say the man not did it with you tonight. Are you alone did it? You need little company.
I just cook my pot, my food and bed and go to bed. No matter what time of day, no matter.
Remember,
you work. So day and night, no matter what time of day. So most women just cook my pot brand now.
You have a good husband. He take care of you in work.
No, so I retire.
No, man, sure redundant.
Yeah, yes.
Which part are you redundant?
No, after the work, to say. Working post.
Petal, I wish part I read out that. The lock shop.
Yeah, fast, sir.
Just like you love ask about fuck request, I'll be asking.
Plank, man, when you come to vote next year, me don't show you petal now.
No worry yourself, I can't fly go to Canada. I don't need visa for fly go to Canada.
Which part of Canada?
Eh? Where's the petal?
You not got conference?
No, I'm not got conference. I just come from Jamaica, man.
Okay.
Which part of Canada? Canada big?
I can't drive go across.
Yeah, but we will find her.
She can meet me at Niagara Falls. Meet me halfway.
Meet?
Yeah.
Meet is a strong word, you know.
We can meet up at Niagara Falls in the summer, petal.
Okay.
And me ride under the falls.
No way.
Made of the mist.
Yeah. And we put on the plastic bag with the engine and look down when I falls, right, petal?
And just don't chuck off.
No, for me I chuck off after me not kill myself.
You'd have 1 year. You'd have 1 year where a whole heap of people are drowned. You didn't know about it?
Yeah. Then jump off a boat.
Take up one style and go itch up on the edge to take picture.
And drop off.
And the force, the current, draw them in. The sitting look so dreary.
You didn't drown?
Oh, you mean?
I always think it's hard to drive go to Canada though. It's far.
Same body not find back petal.
Just for drive from Yasaga Buffalo far, you know, man. And from Buffalo.
When you go to Canada, I never get to go to Niagara Falls, but next time I go, I go make sure I go.
Because you're there far.
But next time I go to Canada, I'm not going so far. I go just go very much near to Niagara Falls and then make way back to the far journey.
First of all, me not gonna wear a 2 plane. Me have to take that a number 1. And that's the reason. You know what me did always want go? Me always want go to the African safari tour there.
Me not go to Africa.
Really?
Go do
really? Petal, you know, so I'm not interested in doing because I'm not like animal and my friend do.
Then kill them. Then kill black people on this. You can't.
When we really want to go plank is pan a cruise next year. I mean, I really want to go safari.
Well, Munchie, enjoy a vacation what do you do?
Yeah, man, my next vacation is going to be on a cruise, man.
But we don't see no picture of that, Munchie.
That's
no, sir, because me don't normally post picture, no. You know,
I think private, man.
Me don't normally post picture, no way. Because me always go every single year, me go down for the North Coast, go spend either 5 days, 4 days, 3 days. I don't normally post.
2026, me I go on the cruise. You want to come plank?
When?
Where you left from, Petal?
Back up, me here, Petal just. Where's the Petal?
The cruise at 2026 for me.
Which part it go?
You have a planet cruise?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, because of your work. I remember your work. So you know.
I have a plan.
Me I come on a cruise with your Petal 2026.
Yeah, I can probably go. I don't know.
You are not invited.
Petal, what's still a petal? Because like you like my way plank, you know.
Plank is not invited on the cruise because Plank is single. So one Petal and our 2-piece. Plank get.
No, but
Thank you.
What's the code?
Plank just can't come, sorry.
2026 I'm gonna plan the cruise. But listen to this, you know. Plank, you know, say me supposed to do a New York trip though.
Petal, we are telling that far.
It's a petal like she interested in the plank business.
Now you're so jealous.
Yeah, I'm
jealous.
jealous. Of course, I'm jealous.
Because I asked everybody
Joshua now here in a Petal car.
He wants to picture and he can't wait to see you.
Petal, I hope Joshua.
I just still not send a picture of my inbox. I say, you haven't bet about everybody else. Please
use your seatbelt for your safety.
Bro, guys.
Everybody.
When you come on New York, Petal?
Me supposed to come on New York weekend.
This weekend?
Yeah, I need to come last weekend and it cancelled. Not last weekend, the weekend before.
I made it for go New York this weekend and I'm not going.
But you know what I normally do? What I like to do is that I like to park a buffalo and fly.
Oh, you know, sir, my sister live close to the you know, Albany, you know. Yeah. So I could drive go Albany all the time.
Okay, but me
Where the petal park at the airport?
Buffalo, yeah.
What happened? You have like the hotel them.
Right, that's up on the border.
Them near the airport. Then we give like say a rate, like a 5-day rate or a 1 week rate, depending on how you want to pay. And you park at the hotel. The hotel them have like them parking lot, and then you get the shuttle from there. So
go to the airport. Okay.
It is so convenient. Something like that. But listen, my son, I two son there, you know, them a big man. One at 20 and one at 24.
Tell Chromas, Chromas a young boy. Unmute your mic, Chromas, you hear that?
No, I just want my mic out because you got answer.
Unmute your mic.
You know, it's a petal a big man, but still hold on petal.
My big son like to drive. My big son like to drive down. So what we normally do, me not like it, you know, but him like it. He like the sightseeing. So me that do. Me usually help him. And me that go down near the Philly line or so, and then he take over.
Which part of Philly line you come?
Me not know. Me just come and go look to see the direction. Me just know. So when
you not come on Philly, man. You not come on Philly. You come on Pennsylvania.
What Pennsylvania? You must say about Philly, Pennsylvania. Yeah.
Oh, Philly, they put your mind. I mean that.
Your plank? Jesus Christ. I want a plank, man. I want plank. Now we getting in a trouble in a plank.
Oh man, me not getting in a trouble, man. We got to
Albany. We go up them upstate place.
Yeah, man. You pass. Which part my sister live. You pass the mall coming down, right?
Pass that kind of something.
Yeah, man.
But he usually plan out the route, because sometimes we go to some like a town and.
Yeah, man.
No, the petal a big man, much in our 40s. There is 58.
So me usually
after 40 is still young. I want to hear
Thomas. In our 40s, but petal is 58.
You must say what my mother back.
Is it petal?
Petal say. If you only bother back with my man.
I know that should have issued. What should I say?
Chromas are some serious investigation of petal.
You know, should have issued.
So usually.
Chromas plank I make plan. Chromas here say the man named Plank, and anybody they don't read it. Plank Chromas.
You know that we have a problem with that still.
Chromas.
No, we have a problem with that, you know. Chromas. I'm confident myself when I do my thing,
right.
You know.
Chromas, you're Munchie the other day. Petal, you know Plank no single? Yeah, petal. After me need a what petal say? After me need a pre-dat.
So what have to do with me?
Well, after me do with me. After me need a pre-dat.
Just random, you know.
Random. Just random. Like you look company. You see your Munchie? You want to set her?
Why you believe she is a Munchie?
One of my beautiful labor rights sister from over the free better. Like Plank. And me never know a Plank no single, so me I did say yes, this can work. A Plank sound like him a hard working man and him a labor right. Because there are two criteria now. Hard working man, labor right, and if you have no ticket with your foot. But not time for that. So me say Plank stick all of the box. Say hard working, him a labor right, he have his own house, him not a ticket with your foot. Tick. And my sister, I said to my sister over the free, I say, yeah man, we are going to see what can go on. On to do the investigation, me as a plank of 25-year-old. Me tell everybody. I mean, don't want nobody running and say mistake like me.
I see a nurse ready at that, bro.
No, a different one.
No, me know how she at man. And the girl I you know, so before Munchie, you know, so before you said that, she sent me a friend request.
We are labor right, and she make sure that she add every labor right on our platform.
And she did when she call the morning when Munchie call her in the gym, she did in the chromas.
Yeah.
I call chromas obviously she chromas drop a ground and roll.
When she don't want to come up on a live more time when they are in England, eh?
No.
No, another one there.
Another one. Make chromas go sit on the plank, man.
Munchie really and truly still enough. Me reach a stage in my life, you know. Me reach a stage in my life, you know. Me not see no woman who frighten me again, you know.
You go plan to your time already, upon borrowed time right now.
Chromas.
I understand.
Where's the petal?
Chromas want a bus, Munchie. I forgot bus so much on them.
No, petal, you know why? Because chromas sound like he have a one little girlfriend up, which you not like them the game. No.
I want chromas.
You're going like you're not having needs.
Eh?
You're going like you're not having needs.
Needs? Well, no. We don't want to mash up a happy home, you know.
You don't want to mash up nothing.
You don't want to mash up nothing, man.
I'm saying not working out.
Just like what you Munchie, just like what you said.
Well, I know, you see me, as I messed up before. And then I need it, I can't get it in the book. We not really take nothing serious and all still. And I always have a start at them things, but I like somebody serious, so we can't go down something serious.
We talk about Jesus is passing this way. Jesus is passing this way.
Hey, Munchie, you know what I say? Me and your crow was attacked, so a 7-day Adventist, you know. Me have one sister and I wicked is 7-day Adventist.
But we're going to say no planka, that is a thing good and bad, everything. Yeah, it's a brand so.
What do you mean by that? You want to say me and Chromas are no Christian?
No, me never said that, you know. Me say, for me sister.
But we're not really fully Christian, because we're not go to church like that, like one. Serious, that 7 day, we're not going on Sunday church.
For me sister dead now, but me I tell her say, when I cruise one day, I sit on 2 foot.
Yeah, but that's how you go, my brother. You put up on everything, my brother. So you go. When you come up for your choose, you hear what I'm saying there? When you come up for your choose, that's it. If you go watch that, you never go join a church. If you go watch that, you never go to a church. That hypocrite and bad people that are everywhere.
Yeah. Everywhere.
That's how you go, man.
Everywhere.
I don't know if texted for Adventist people, Chromas.
Yeah, I know, but
Petal, no follow Munchie, but me a woman, me give woman me number, nothing no go so. When me tell you woman say more fishy buy, you know, here Munchie plank, don't give me a number, I be it.
So what you tell me that for now?
So,
plank, it's the but me no mean she, you know, me mean the parish.
Me I remember this, you know. I will tell you this, you know. Not because, you know, when we are foreigner, we go to Jamaica, you know, we just look different, you know. No care how you ugly, no care how you look.
But we talk about Clarendon.
Oh, still enough plan, me I tell you that, you know. Me don't know still enough. And I like one so cause me, I say if a friend of them come, they have to look for me good, brother. They must say, you, come like you there friend of me. Everybody look good, I know from Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
But tell them where you see the difference. You can tell where you see the difference. So when you're the cold, you can't see it on the skin, the mic can see a different on the skin.
Right.
Planky just slip out of my mouth because Clarendon a bad place.
Me know, man.
But if I dress it by clothes and looking at it, you can't know the difference, brother. Everybody
when the lady say,
everybody has to make it up and nice, you know, and clean.
Don't say that, Crowers.
Me I tell you that.
When the lady say she have fish, I say you no better. And she have to sell plank some fish. Are you plank now? Oh, when I come to Jamaica, I want some fish to buy.
All the foreigners with me know when they come down and look for me and see me, how me move and how me stay. So like I come from, I know this is what the one look similar, brother.
The one that will look similar?
Yeah, what I mean, but don't think, as I say, the climate, the skin. No, the skin, the cold and them thing there, you can't see difference. Maybe the environment where in the atmosphere, you can have a look different. You can't know that they're not come from foreign.
Oh, so we're not in the sun. We're not in the sun.
No, man, maybe, you know, when the cold, you know, foreign, you know. I want extreme to one extreme, you know. When I eat and when I cold.
Foreign people and Jamaican people look the same way, you know?
Dressing wise.
No.
Dressing wise, may I tell her that, brother. You can't know it. Like one time.
Foreign people and Jamaican people look the same.
Obvious. Alright, it's one time MunchieB one time. If I go for a fire, because I see a big difference. That's obvious. And I like so again. It's not like that. Not if a country people you can't know different from town people know what is by all that dress. What they know is a country people come out to because I know a country people. Not even that.
Without the red dirt pan their shoes.
Yeah, them things that exist again.
Country people now walk with slippers come off for the hill. And then put on a nice shoes to go to them.
Maybe when they talk out of them mouth, they might know.
The accent never fails.
Yeah.
Alright, you can know when somebody are foreigner by their movement. Let me tell you something. There's just few little things.
No, I'm not talking about clothes, Peter. By just appearance wise. I'm not talking about, you see me?
When you have a real foreigner, we have a real, not online with other stuff. We have a real deal. You can know foreigner. You can see from their movements, just how they move, how they angle money, how they do, so how they operate. You can tell the difference.
But when I tell you, even the way they attack Petal, everybody have your original things now, all of Jamaica. Good things too. So,
yeah,
but as we say, the movement's different. You can't know them by the movement. Normally, my old man used to live in England. I didn't come there, my old man big man. I mean, them walk on the road. We used to walk. The man used to walk fast. I think when they used to in England, them people don't move slow. You know, it's a foreign thing that. Because time of the thing are foreign. You see me? You have to move with the time. Because itching thing not going on foreign. If you reach certain place, you have to reach by a certain time. If you're in England, if you have to take bus, you have to reach at the bus by, you know, so the bus is coming so by 2 o'clock. You have to out there. They have a time, each time with the bus there. Like every 15 minutes or every 20 minutes, you have a timetable. That's how them place to run, brother. So when you go, you know, you're not a long waiting at the bus stop, you just go on time. I reach out there, you know, so you get the bus. They have a timetable. Everything works on time or foreign. So at the time when foreign used to come down, especially people from England, they walk fast. That man said, you all the cool and bite them up and move quick. That's what I next thing too. You can't linger. You see me?
We say foreign people and Jamaican people look same way now.
We come to clothes and appearance wise. We come to clothes and so that way the panel levels there. You see me?
Only when they open
or dress or people dress or then dress now. Or people dress now. The thing even up here now, I like one time it was obvious you can't say foreigner. I know different. Understand? Yes. So yeah, even country too. Even country people, you don't come at town and whatever. When they talk, you can know the different. I mean, alright, but they are kept there maybe for a while. But I'm going to break a bridge of a business place down there. See, when I met about that Canada have the sound there. If I have a business down there, but if I did, I take over the business. I'm done for 2-3 weeks. I mean, I'm down there attack. I'm down the business place attack. And the man said, you know, if I attack, a Kingston I come from. The man could have tell me say Kingston I come from. Man said, no, say, I don't know where you come from, man.
You go sound different because maybe people say where they go and then something there.
Yeah, so man say, oh, you talk. I say, Kingston I come from, Reggie. I say, yeah, man. Come and say, oh, you talk. You're not man to go beyond. Yeah, man. Just talk, kid.
Maybe people have accents.
Where they go? When you
might someone sing out to Kingston, but them have way what them talk to, man. Yeah, man, them have way them talk. Each parish is like that still, you know. Each parish have their own little dialect, you know. Certain way.
And Kurumas, look at Paul C. Distant, right?
Distant.
Pretty petal.
Distant.
Man, I know your petal. You know you.
No man, no mad. Man, no mad me. Man, no mad me, friend Kurumas. You know you. Any drink of people.
Every day I tell Petal, when we say Buncho, we say one thing to Petal. Every day I tell her, I want to see a picture, I say in my inbox, say yes. I know still can't reach.
This is a con artist, this Chromas.
Yeah, he come like I invade me every time I say, yeah man, she gotta do it.
He's a con artist.
I'll know if I not to favor life, me and dead a million times.
Exactly.
Bitter day. All right, Munchie.
You must walk far from the labor. Right.
All right. That's how I go still.
Yes.
All right, I got lock off now. Right.
This time, me need to talk. A long time we not talk to you.
Chromas look at distant, right?
Distant.
Chromas there.
Yeah, you see man, more flawless and still round up. So if I tell you something that's so says petal round up. Hey,
No,
tell you.
Me go up, me dip on one diet. This time, later me call you a long time when I talk. Me go call you we talk about conference.
But you hear to know? Later we talk babes. Laugh out loud. I mean what you know.
I'm a baby.
It's alright. It's alright, Mr. Boss man.
I don't want to hurt your head no more.
Alright, alright, bless up.
Later, everybody.
Alright.